Clothing, love floats. DJ Snowcone. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Hi, Beth, Patty. Hi, Patty. Hi, M-Sense. Larry. What's up, Larry? Mono. Good morning. Swavo. Red-Eyed. Noir. Good morning, Jeremy. Good morning, Eric. Alejandro. Beard. What's up, Diamond? Entertain. Good morning, guys. It's come. Quallen, Stevie. Let's go, Stevie. G7, good morning. Sherry, Eric, another Eric. The Eric. The real Eric. The real Eric. Andrew, BBIG's bipolar. Andrew, good morning. Leona, good morning. I was just reading your comments about DBIGI, DJ Snoko and some. Detroit, Christina, good morning. Uh, Detroit, better. Detroit. uh, Pinky, good morning, Augie. Let's go, Augie. Thank you very. Let's go. TMC, I'll take a look. TMC, Eric. Let me know what your position is. I'll take a look. You hate BBNG, Yang? Oh no, Jason is on sale. Yeah. Well, namaste, AJ. Namaste. Uh, MSN says, before you start hating on it, your comments, it's moving this morning. Is it actually moving or the wrong way? Larry with the super sticker, guys. Let's go, Larry. Larry, thank you very much. Good morning. Not worried I didn't get in TMC. Probably glad I didn't as well. Red-eyed, I know. Red-eyed, right. Yeah, there you go. Trio, good vibes. Trio, good vibes. G5, good morning. Dustin, another great day, Dustin. Let's go. Quinn, a little bit. Eden, good morning. Brian, there we go. Maria, good morning. Alrighty, are we ready? Are we ready? Oh no, Mindy, unbelievable. You just had to come in with some rubbish. Honestly, the Canadian stock father is live. Let's go. Unbelievable. I mean, what you should be doing is getting on live. Rubbish. You ready, Lori? Okay. Paywall, good morning. Cheering for ATR this morning. Sounds good. Naz, good morning. She Unique, good morning. Good morning, good morning. It's moving up to the top and then drop. M-Sense. Oh no. Let's see. What else? Are we good? Okay, we're good to go. So pre-market movers here, guys. Some names that are not on the list I want to take a look at as well. Names like TLRY. But TLRY is moving. TLRY has a lot of social media stuff going on. But I'm not quite sure why. If you know why TLRY is moving, let me know. But I'll take a look at TLRY. Puvu Kaka One Neo, E-Rock. Good morning, Christian. Are we going to the moon? Where's the moon? Bedroom Bazooka, good morning. Roll Tides, let's go, Roll Tide. Julie, good morning, Julie. Let's go. Okay, so pre-market movers here, guys. So first of all, I'm going to refresh this list very quickly here. So here you go. Nothing's really changed here for me. So first name on the list here, guys, is MRN here, up about 103%, guys. 103% with some very good volume as well. Again, this isn't just because it's on this list doesn't mean it's a good buy, right? We saw Marine yesterday, didn't quite perform well, right? So again, this is Marine, guys. Marine was on this list yesterday. Again, we've said this multiple times, right? We want to be very careful because again, most of the time they're going to show up on this list today. And if you become a diamond hand and you keep holding, well, guess what? The next day you're holding on this side of the list, right? So again, Marine was on this list yesterday, on this side of the list yesterday, up about 80%, and then just dropped the whole day. Again, AEMD was on this list yesterday on this side of the list. Today it's on this side of the list, right? Again, what else? TMC, no, wasn't on there. But yeah, you just want to be careful, right? If you're playing with these names, you want to just make sure that if you're holding overnight, you better be holding in some gains, or it better be a play that you really like, right? So there you go. And otherwise, you might end up holding some rubbish. So yeah, let's move on here. So mRNA, MRM, up about 104% this morning with 7.4 million in volume this morning, sitting around $15 here. So I'm not quite sure why they're moving yet. We're gonna find out in less than a few seconds here. MEDIROM shares are trading higher following news the company will buy Zach. Uh, Cash out for 3.36 6 million. Okay, so they're doing an acquisition of a company here that we're not quite sure what they do, but we'll take a look. We'll take a look, guys. Again, so they're doing an acquisition, right? So the market seems to like that, and yeah, and they're performing well this morning. Okay, cool. Let's move on here. Second one on the list here is FEDU here. This one's a penny stock. um but I'm still gonna take a look this. So FEDU, Four Seasons Education shares are trading after the company announced board authorization to repurchase up to wait to repurchase up to 15 million in what? Up to Are they buying back shares? Let me take a quick look here, guys. Um it doesn't quite go into detail here. The article here on Benzinga doesn't quite go into detail here for me. But yeah, I'll take a look on TradingView, guys. Wow, that's interesting. Some Are they buying back shares? That's my question. I'll take a look. What did I just? Okay, never mind. Some again, number three on the list here. AMHC here, Amplitude Healthcare here, up about 37% this morning. Again, you guys know we like to take a look at the news. We like to take a look at the charts and float and things like that, right? Because again, float is a huge part of it, right? So when there's momentum, when there's news, and it's a small float, it's more likely to run, right? So again, so we're just going through the process of looking at all this rubbish here. So why are those guys up there? So Amplitude Healthcare Corp shares are trading after the company after company announced shareholders approved the business combination with Jasper Therapeutics. Uh, After now on Wednesday it was announced the share approved the business combination with Jasper Therapeutics. So, okay, sounds good. Um, that's interesting. That sounds very much like SPRT. It's not, but it sounds yeah some we'll see. We'll take a look at the at the other stuff there. Some and then what else? What else do I want to take a look? There's quite a few names here with some very good volume. So Neuro is one that we're gonna take a look at. DBGI is another one that we're gonna take a look at as well. So this one has a lot of excitement on social media as well. So we'll take a look at that. And then RNAZ here, TransCode Therapeutics here, up about 27% as well with some very good volume. So I want to see why some TransCode Therapeutics highlights publication in cancer and nanotechnology of preclinical data supporting therapeutic potential of okay, cool, for the breast cancer drug. Them okay, cool, cool. We'll take a look. So I'm going to close out a few tabs here. So before we take a look at the charts here, guys, I'm going to read your comments, and then I'll take a look at quants. Chart of quant there. Theory is moving because Sundar's moving. M sense. Yeah, it seems like maybe all the marijuana names are yeah, unforgiving. Yeah, yeah. I was just wondering what Unforgiving. I was just wondering what Zag does as a company. Right. Yeah. Okay. Is a share buyback $50 million? Wow. Okay. Cool. That's interesting because when you think of Andrew, just when you think of a penny stock, those guys were sitting at like 50 cents. When you think of a penny stock or whatever, you don't think that's a company that can do a share buyback, right? So that's why I was just Andrew says good morning. EIHS wondering if I should buy lower or lower your average, Andrew. Okay, remind me in a few minutes, please. Remind me in a few minutes. Double up. Good morning. And Eric says not buying that. Good morning. I think I missed a super sticker from Dario. Let's go. Trevor, good morning. Any cars floating in your area? Floating cars? Trevor, floating cars? No floating cars. If cars are floating in your area. Dario, thank you very much for the super sticker. Thank you. Mm, what else? Green, latecomer. ATR drowning. Christian, drowning. Or again, I think the way to play ATR, if again you want to be careful with those names going into there you go. Good morning, Dennis. Mondo's Garage. Good morning. Droopy. I think I said Beth. Not yet. Maybe not yet. Good morning, guys. Smoggle. Good morning. Christian. Can you behave, please, and thank you? Is Chloe going to the moon? That's the same question every day, Christian. Let's behave, please. Good morning, Tony. How's BBIG looking this morning? We'll take a look. So let's move on here to the quant. Let me see here. Let's see. Where's my quant stuff here? Some again, that's the pre-market movers list this morning, guys. Let's take a look at quants here. So chart of quants here. Again, you guys know this is the social media website. Again, it's tracking all like what the chatter that's going on on Twitter, Reddit, and everywhere else, and it's telling you what's trending, right? So again, trending tickers here in the last 24 hours. Here we have BlackBerry. BlackBerry, because BlackBerry had earnings and they're doing okay. They're doing okay, but I want to take a look at the last hour here, guys. So last hour here, TLRY, right? Again, why is TLRY? TLRY. So we'll take a look at TLRY. TMC, maybe. We'll take a look at Safe here. BB, most likely not. But yeah, so if you hold in BlackBerry or any of these names and you have a question, please ask, right? Other than that, though, yeah, it's yeah, some. So this is Reddit. Okay, cool. Let me take a look at Twitter. What's trending on the Twitter, guys? In the last hour or so, we have Roku, we have Neuro. Neuro is trending with quite yeah, overwhelming positivity here for Neuro, right? So Neuro and Roku here, ATR trending there as well. Tesla, CRM, and then quite a few other names on the list as well here. So there you go. Yeah, so cool. Cool. And then I want to take a look. Let's take a look. Let's move on here, guys. Let's move on to the charts here. So I'm gonna need to fix that. There's a little bit there. Some charts. Let me do that. So yeah, on it, like BB is still not doing anything, right? So BB is still not BB, BBIG here, still sitting at where we left it yesterday. So nothing really happened in the ATR though. Huge sell off. Again, we know the most reliable level of support for ATR is $14, right? So are we gonna get to $14 again? I think the way we need to play this is with ATR. ATR is very much a momentum play, right? The way you need to play this is if we're opening up down 11% and consolidating and looking like we're about to push to green, okay, that means it's not dead, right? And then we can go from there. So the S&P having a nice gap up this morning as well. Again, we had that turnaround, right? Again, sell off Monday, Tuesday, price in the negative news. Powell says absolutely not, and then we continue back on Wednesday, Thursday here, right? Friday maybe. Okay, cool. Let's yeah. So I'm gonna switch that there. I want to take a look at those pre-market movers, right? Starting off with MRM here. That was the first pre-market mover that we looked at, right? So I'm gonna take a look at that on the daily. So these guys are having a very nice gap up again. Obviously, I mean, like it's like we're gonna be gapping up to some levels where we can't really tell you, okay, this is a good buy, right? And this thing is gapping up. What? Let me confirm here. Gapping up 100%, right? That's 100% move there. So that's quite impressive here. Again, nothing's really changed here. You do not buy gap ups. You don't buy 100% gap up. You let it retrace a little bit, find support, and then you can go from there, right? So that's a huge gap up. You want to be very careful here. It's a recent IPO as well. They IPO'd in a few months, right? It's been a few months here. Okay, cool. Yeah, and not that doesn't change anything. Again, gap ups are usually for selling. People wake up and take profits, so some patience, right? Let's see. Johnny's here. Johnny's here. Good morning, Johnny. Martin. Let's go. Mm, let's see. Yeah, damn it, late. Uh, I feel like I'm not gonna say anything. Good morning, Carvin TC. Good morning, Java on the beans. Java, where have you been? Where have you been? Where have you been, Java? Nah, nah. What's up, DJ? DJ Tortoise. Good morning, Diamond. Let's go, Diamond, Diamond. Will likely dump at the open. Oh yeah, Eric, absolutely right. Again, these things usually do. Like when they open up, 100% move. You wake up to 100% move. Eric, what do you do? Right? Like what do? You take some profits, right? Some yeah, sell off at the open, and then you can decide if you're still interested, right? Some. Next up on the list we have DBGI. Let's take a look at DBGI here again. This one's very so DBGI here. Market opens in what, 4 minutes? Okay. So DBGI there. And then I also want to take a look at TLRY. So I'm going to add TLRY to my list. TLRY is one that I've played with quite a bit. So DBGI, again, like these guys haven't been around for that long either, right? So recent IPO here, they're getting a lot of like just conversational on social media. So we can keep an eye out for this thing here. It's gapping up already, 20% here. Is it a low float? I think it is, right? It's 5 million, right? So 5 million float. We just need a little bit of yeah, so no news at all. So just needs a little bit of volume here to come in, and this thing is gonna this thing potentially could run, right? So again, super low float, right? 5 million float. So we're gonna keep an eye out for DBGI here. Let me take a look at Tilray. Yeah, so Tilray has been trending lower for quite a bit now, so you want to be careful. Again, we're running lower, lower, and lower, and lower. So you don't want to get caught in this trap, right? So this so I might need just do a trend here potentially. Potentially, I'm gonna go from right there. Yeah, so again, like this isn't the perfect trend here, but I'm just gonna leave that right there. So again, as you can see, just so you guys can see again, just so you guys can kind of get an idea of what's going on here, we're trending lower. So even though it seems like we're about to go for a nice little run here pre-market, we're still trending lower, right? We're getting all these candles here, all these little green candles, but we're still going lower, right? So you just want to be a little bit cautious here, right? So until we can actually gain some momentum here and break above, and okay, and then we can look for potential entries here, right? So we'll keep an eye out for Tilray there. What else? What else was on the pre-market movers list here? So I can't remember anymore. So I'm gonna take a quick look here. So FEDU there. Okay, cool. AMHC there. Okay. Yep. There's not honestly not a lot. Like it yeah, just hasn't been a lot on the list here. So what do you think? AMC will keep they will keep AMC under this week. Here's for me, like they have no incentive to keep it other than the usual, like other than the usual heavily shorted positions. There really isn't any, like they're not huge incentives to keep AMC down this week, right? So again, the fact that we're back above $40 is a huge signal, because again, if they did, $40 would be a huge level for them to try and make sure we don't get back above, right? So honestly, for me, when I see stuff like that, I'm just thinking AMC dropped all the way to $38 because the entire market was dropping, right? So that's why we dropped below. It wasn't like they had a plan to make sure that we would stay below $40. So that's what I see from that whole situation there. So I'm happy AMC is back above $40. That level is very important. So again, as long as we continue to sit above that level, I'm fine for now. If we break below that level again, on like if AMC breaks below that level on its own, with the market not crashing, that's a huge warning sign, right? It becomes an issue. So there you go. Yeah, KPLT, Stevie. Okay, sounds good. At the super trend volume one. So factors one, liquid factor one, and then a PD7. That's what it is. So go to inputs, right? Liquid. There you go. Uh, Nathan, much more time. Okay, one less than a minute here. Okay, I'll get a question as I fix my charts here, Nathan. So Nathan's asking, as the market is now open. So let me switch back here to what do everyone want to switch back to, you guys? Honestly, it's like there's not a standout year yet. So I'm gonna put a BBIG, of course. Fuse is now gone. It's like a change. Um, Where's BBIG? So BBIG, guys, same level we left it at yesterday, right? Again, 650, same level there. Nothing's really changed there. AMC is actually looking not too bad. So I'm gonna put up two more charts here. So where's ATR here? ATR, of course. Right. Nice sell off at the open here. Again, let's see if this $14 level here can hold. We're currently not doing it. This thing's being flushed hard here, right? Like it is being just absolutely wow, like it's being crushed. Like it's not it's not funny, but like it's impressive. Like it is being like it's being crushed. um I it's just when you see stuff like this, it's wow, like look at that, guys. 21%, an absolute, like an absolute trap, right? So wow. And then I'm gonna switch this up with something else here. Not no, not that there. And then so these guys actually still holding up. Well, again, profit taking at the open here, still holding 100% though. That's what I'm trying to say there. And Tilray, okay, cool. Keep an eye out for Tilray. Keep an eye out for DBGI there as well. So if we can get back about $3 for DBGI there. But ATR, guys, anyone holding? Wow, like it is being it might be it might actually be a nice opportunity there for a nice little recovery, right? That initial sell off at the open. Yeah, Jim. Yeah, Neuro is up 25%. Yeah, that's what I wanted to take a look at Neuro. You have confidence, paywall. I saw you saw last time at 1850. Nice, Debbie. Nice, nice, nice. You're holding strong. Cameron, what about Marine? Yeah, okay. You're looking to Stevie. You're looking to get in. Yeah, it might actually be a nice recovery play here, right? That's a huge sell off. Eventually, well, I say eventually now, but again, it's expected that we bounce at some point here, right? So I'm back to $14, right? Again, so $14 is where we there we go, back to 14, guys, right? So nice recovery there. That's quite strong there. So there you go, and yeah, and wow, there we go. What's the float here? Actually, not available here. Okay, interesting. I'll have to take a look. But this thing is wow, look at it go now. 119%. That initial sell off at the open here, right? About a dollar. Yeah, about a dollar here. Sell off at the open, and then now we are looking quite a lot better here. So interesting. I want to know what the float is. I might have to take a look at Yao Finance. So if you find the float for this ticker here, let me know. Let me know. MRM there. Let me know. And so this is not gonna be the obstacle here for ATR, guys. Again, $14. We know 14 was support from yesterday, right? So again, this is not gonna be an issue here. So let's see if we can build new support above this level again. $14. If we can, okay, maybe there's hope of getting back to green here. But if we keep failing here, watch out below for for 13 again, right? So just be careful there. There you go. And BBIG, guys, no life, no signs of life yet. There you go. Wow, wow, wow. This thing is absolutely not giving up here. MRM. Wow. Interesting. I'm seeing 3.3. I see Ryzen says 75 million is the float. 75 million. And then Augie says 3.3 million is the float. Okay, there you go. 3.3 million. Okay, I can see why then. It's halted already, right? So that's really interesting then. Yeah. 3.3. Okay, cool. Thank you, Free Nemi. Thank you, Augie. Yeah, I can see why that thing's absolutely flying then. So it's again low float, momentum, right? And with some good news. And so there you go. Yeah. Glad I saw that a BBIG on Monday, Quinn. Yeah, again, you have to have a plan that's only for you, right? So you can always follow the masses because you know I there you go. ATR. ATR. Uh, can't find it on UK free trade. Nathan. Okay, I'm not sure why. Not sure why. I know you guys are having issues. Let me see what Nathan. ATR has been heavily shorted since pre-market today. It's been driven down in pre-market over in line. That's a ton of feels like corruption, Nathan. Yeah, yeah. Corruption. I mean, is there anything in the market that's not shorted? That's not being manipulated. There's manipulation going on in like every single ticker. You just have to find it. Just have to find it. Uh, um, Vision One says ATR. What about ATR Vision? Thankfully, we're not sweating it too much. You got it at $7. Okay. But ready for $20 today. Okay, there you go. Yeah. If this thing gets back to green, if this thing finds a way to get back to green here, it's gonna get exciting here. ATR. So what's BBIG looking like? Yeah, it's not going anywhere. Looks like it wants to see $6 rather than get back to $7, guys. Yeah, absolutely no volume there. Like it's just absolutely it's just sleeping. ATR is where the volume is at this morning for now. This will run again. It's early. Yeah. Are we done with September crash? We might just be again. I know we talked about this chart again, the S&P index there when market usually drops in September. Again, this time it was held by the Fed meeting, right? Again, the Fed saying we're tapering, right? And so we had to sell. We sold off into that news, and then Powell came out with some reassurance and then recovery, right? So yeah, it's the market is looking a lot better now. The S&P is recovering as well. So are we done? Are we done with the sell off? Is it time to bounce? Maybe, just maybe. It's bouncing already, right? Bouncing already here. So there you go. Mm, good morning, Fidel. What is support for BlackBerry? BlackBerry has support at $10. At least needs to build support up at $10. Lori, don't even need to look at the chart. I just because it like I always know what's going on with BlackBerry because I always get notifications. So, rest in peace, Marin. Christian Jacko says, the last few days missed you too, Christian. Missed you too. On the 22nd, the mailing the proxy or no, nothing, Ivan. No valuation. Not that I'm aware of, Ivan. Not that I'm aware of. Right. So super chat here from super chat guys. Spray foam Hefe says good morning, brother. Good morning, spray foam. The spray foam. Can you check QS? Of course I can. Of course. Catrice, good morning. Yeah, it's halted. Yeah, she's halted. There you go. Yeah, guys, if you haven't smashed the like yet, don't forget to smash a like, guys. Smash a like, hit that subscribe, and share the link as well if you can. That'd be amazing. So there you go. There you go. We still halted? Yeah, we're still halted here. So still halted. So while the market is BBIG not doing a whole lot, the ATR again trying to build support around above $14 here, right? Before we potentially go for a new run. If we can do that, if we can hold 14 and and start moving higher again, yeah, this thing might get exciting here. We might get back to green. But while we are waiting here, let's take a look at our QS here. So quantum scape here. For yeah. Uh, QS. I looked at QS about a week ago, and I was honestly surprised. I have a spray foam to see that this thing was all the way at the level that it was at. Because yeah, when I looked at it about a month ago, this thing was sitting at like $50, and then it lost 50%. Right, so yeah. So are you in a position already? If you are, spray foam, let me know. So what I'm looking at right now is I'm looking at these tops here, right? So again, I can tell that this level is initially support here, and all of a sudden now we're failing and failing and failing there, and we're sitting at the same level again, and we're again. We're getting 1, 2, 3 days at the same level. We're struggling at the same level there. Obviously, that tells me you want to be very careful if you're not in it already. You might want to be careful. You might want to let it break above $25, sell it above $25 before you look for an entry, right? That's if you're not in it already. But if you bought the dip on display, you should be okay here. Like in my there you go. So let me know where your position is. Spray foam there. QS at Noel, you bought some QS $22. Okay, that's a very nice position there. Some earnings out. Might hit $12 today. Martin, BB. Yeah, BB had earnings last night, and yeah, AMC is almost $42. Let's go, guys. INT dip open at Open for $14. IR&T at $14, guys. Again, hopefully that's a message. Hopefully that tells you like what really happens in the market here. So Cameron, we're unhalted. Okay, sounds good. Oh yeah, spray foam. Let me know again. So if you're in a position already for spray foam, you're completely okay. But if you're looking for a brand new position here, I'd be waiting for again. You can see that we have an issue here, right? I'd be waiting for this level here to clear 25, set above 25. Look for an entry there. So let's go back here. Yeah, some. La, 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 la. So BBIG there. Go back to that there. Yeah, it's because of my there you go. Unhalted, guys, and we are still running here, right? Again, super low flow with some news. Yeah, $17. Quite impressive. Quite impressive. Quite impressive. Some again had that sell off at the open as expected, and then just turned around and absolutely mooned, right? So there you go. That's this year. There's the former taker of the day. Former taker of the day. MRM. Very cool. There you go. And what's this? ATR. Still just chilling here for now, guys. Again, still not quite sure what it wants to do yet. If this thing starts breaking below 17, and then that's a sign of concern. But for now, it's holding up above. It starts breaking below 14, and then that's a sign of concern. But for now, it's trying. It's trying to hold it. Trying to hold it. So just be again. I'd be very careful here with ATR. I'd be very careful. So as are we about to see $18 now on this play here? Again, be careful here. Why? Because you guys know we talk about those wicks, right? So once you start seeing wicks on the candle, guys, again, one, two, three, four. What are you expecting to see next? You're expecting to see a red candle here soon, right? So just be careful here. Be careful. If you're not in already, just be careful with the FOMO, right? So again, multiple wicks are giving you signals that people are taking profits. At least for now, right? People are taking profits, so you want to be you just want to be cautious. Just be a little bit cautious here. BB strong. BB Blackberry strong, 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 strong. Okay, I'll take a look. I'll take a look. Is anyone holding Blackberry? Anyone holding Blackberry? Let me know. So I'm gonna be back at the bottom of my list here. Okay, yeah, 10% move there on Blackberry. Okay, nice. Wow, wow. This thing will not give up. The low float. Yeah, wow, $18. But guess what, guys? Again, that's this is looking like a trap though, right? Be careful, please and thank you. Right, we were pushing, but still unable to clear this level, right? So, that was a huge red flag there for me. Like push all the way to 1840, and in that very same candle, pushed right back down to this level. Yeah, just be cautious there. Just waiting for red, guys. That's all I'm waiting for here because I feel like that's what's coming here next on this chart there. I won't stop playing with your heart, Queen. I know. Brad, you holding some BB? Okay, nice. Alex, you have some BB. Alan, some BB as well. Okay, wow, guys, good job again. BB has support at $10, right? And there's your red candle, right? Again, is your red candle on yeah, again these things is again these things it's never really a coincidence. There are always those warning signs on the chart, right? Again, it's the wicks. People are taking profits. Again, the charts are psychology of like what people are doing, right? Right, again, so and once you start seeing stuff like this, that's a huge red flag for me. Again, it's we're not selling off here yet, and then all of a sudden, well, guess what, there's your huge red candle there, right? So you want to be very careful once you start seeing stuff like this. You don't want to be a diamond hand and holding and hoping that we're going to bounce back higher. You want to be very cautious. And there we are. ATR selling off as well, right? So again, you want to be careful around $14, right? So, and yeah, it's a sell off. It's tanking, taking. Dennis, tanking. RGC is running now. Oh no, whoa, 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 guys. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Here we go, right? Again, we break below 14. We see below 13 right away, right? So there you go. Be very careful with ATR here today. There you go. And still going, still going. GOEV. I'll take a look. I'll take a look. Wow, 12. Those sell-offs are very quick, guys. They're very quick. Why? Because again, people are watching the same thing, right? And once they see that we're breaking below support, they're like, okay, I'm like, at this range here, we're okay. And it's like, okay, we're holding 14, we're holding 14, we're holding it. Support, we're holding. But as soon as we break below that level and it seems like we're about to sell off here, well, guess what? Everyone's like, you know what? ATR, you can suck it because I'm out of here. And he sell off, right? So, yeah. Just a whole lot of games being played here on ATR. Be big, issue some news, Paula. Yeah. He's. Did you buy some? You bought some ATR. What did you do? What did you do? Uh, it's selling. What's a good entry? You have a feeling board will run again. You have a feeling the board gonna run again. Board gonna run again. Again, honestly, for me, like I've explained the way that I'd be playing like ATR. Like I'd be very patient around $14, right? But if this thing looks like it wants to get back to again, I know it's quite a move up. But again, like if this thing looks like it wants to get back to eight to green, that tells me that okay, well, that's a sell-off. Momentum is still there, and then we're good to go again, right? Some other than like if for now that you're gambling, you're trying to catch a knife, you can gamble around like $12. Again, $11 would be nice. Like $11 would be the entry level, right? If you can get it, because we know there's below 14, the most reliable level of support is 11, right? So or unless we're just forming a double bottom here, right? So which we're really not. We're making new lows here today. I'm right now on ATR. So you want to be just be you want to be very cautious. Bits. I figured why not. I wonder what I did. And I'm wait a bit. Okay, sounds good. What's the entry? What's the entry? What did you buy in at Hazel? What did you do? What did you buy in at? Nick says SPRT. SPRT is dead. Nick. Any green? Any trying to go? Okay, sounds good. I know there's quite a few tickers that I wanted to look at. Hi Rita. Hi, how are you? Little bit, Rita, a little bit. Just a quick in and out play. Okay, Eric, if you're looking for quick in and out plays, like it's and like not always gonna tell you, but you can always get that feeling though, right, Eric? So for example, stuff like we talked about that, like stuff like that all the time, right? So for example, like at the top of the thing here, once you start seeing stuff like this, Eric, it's a huge red flag, right? Again, one, two, three, four, red flag, right? We talked about it. We've talked about these. We talked about the we talked about this quite a bit, right, guys? So once you start seeing those wicks, again, look at those wicks at the top, right? Once you start seeing those rejections, that's a signal of a sell-off, right? So that's exactly what you're seeing there on ATR, right? Again, you're seeing this here. You're also seeing the same thing here, right? Again, one, two, three. Well, guess what? It's a signal of a sell-off, right? So that's exactly what happened here. So on the downside, that's exactly the same thing you're looking for at the bottom, right? So once you start seeing some wicks like forming at the bottom there, and we're getting a little bit of momentum come in, that's a signal. That's a signal of a potential bounce, right? Again, it's gonna be very quick, like again, very very quick, and then you can in and out, and you're gone, right? So there you go. For now, I'd be patience, patience, patience. There you go. Again, the more weeks the better, right? So the more confirmation you can get, the better. Right? And are we about to make new lows? Yeah, we are on ATR here. Yeah, we are. And selling off here seems like ATR and MRM here selling off at the same time here. So again, those wicks, guys, those wicks, be very careful. Oh, here we go. mm, mm, mm. Will meet is some kind of predict what do you, Oh, okay. The average is 11, 12. Okay, that's not even like yeah, that's completely okay though. That's completely fine. Like you have I mean, like it's concerning that we're dropping here as quick as we are here, but you have a little bit of room, right? So there you go. Colorado. Hello, Leonardo. Good morning from Colorado. Good morning. What about MMT, Leonardo? Mhm. Wow, yeah, ATR. It's a sell off, guys. It's a sell off. 26% here. The manipulation is very obvious there, right? The games are very obvious. Good morning, Peter. Reverse wicks. It's not done. It's not done. It's not done, Eric. Not done selling off there. Eric says nope, nope. Mm-mm. Yeah, let's see if we get let's see potentially a green candle here next, Eric. Just because again the last time we did the same thing, right? Some nice double bottom candle there, and then little bounce there, right? So let's see if we can do it. There's something similar there. MRN, yeah, there you go, right? Again, and a nice little bounce here, right? From this candle. So there you go. Yeah, and then yeah, this one is still just selling off, still selling off. Wow, what's going on? What does the rest of the market look like, guys? Seems like we're just getting a whole bunch of red this morning here, so that's interesting. Good morning, Austin. Good morning, good morning. Dennis says MMA team, please. I have a position. Okay, we'll take a look at MMA team. Some CRM. CRM, John. Seems like always looks good. Annabelle says good morning, good morning, good morning, Annabelle. Good morning, Rick. Gideon. Good morning. I say like $11. Uh, um, Gideon. Is crushing today. Yeah, like S&P's looking fine there. There you go, Eric. Right, yeah, it seems like we're doing like very similar things here on ATR, Eric. So if you take a look at the last drop here, we had that double again. We had a huge sell off, and then we had this double bottom candle here, and then we had these two right, nice little bounce there. We're doing a very similar thing here. Again, nice double bottom here, and then the two candles recovering here a little bit, right? So there you go. It's just yeah, just doing the same thing over and over and over here. So let's see if we can get back to $13. Eric, again, this is why like I say it's gonna be very quick because again, if I'm doing this on my own, I'm noticing this and maybe I'm taking a gamble as we're doing this double bottom and little bounce here, right? But it's hard for me to explain this to you and tell you to get in, right? So yeah, yeah, there you go. Any no, Adeline says any current news about Shiba? Not that I'm aware of. Not that I'm aware of. Some Not that I'm aware of. What's up, Paul? Let's go. Asma, Shimar. Good morning, Rosita. Michael, good morning. Yeah, cryptos are at least trying to recover. Yeah. What can you take a look at Lucid? I'll take a look at Lucid. Yeah, I'll take a look. Again, the entry for Lucid was oh no, you missed it. You absolutely missed it. The spray foam. Were you gone or what? Like what happened? We covered your question already. So for QS, um, like what's your position? Are you in it already? You absolutely missed it. Or were you here? Spray foam. Are you just happy about QS, or you're just you're asking for the same question again? Thank you for the super chat again. The spray foam. Thank you. Yeah, that's a nice little bounce there from ATR, guys. Nice little bounce. Little bounce. Bitcoin is going to the 30s. Nice. Going to the 30s. Atit, good morning. Better. Take care. Thank you, Atit. Thank you. A little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna do some rapid fire in a bit here, guys. Yeah. So I know there are quite a few tickets I need to look at. I know there's some tickets here from AJ there. Some tickets. We'll take a look. Let me do some of that right now. There you go. La la la. Switch my charts here back to the daily. And then yeah, so whatever tickers you'd like me to take a look at, let me know. So I know I'm gonna take a look at Lucid here. 24, about 25. Okay. Again, this is the same. This is why this is here, right, guys? Again, why is that there? Because of this, right? Is that the same level? Yes, it is, right? So what do you want to do as we approach this level? You want to be very careful and lucid. So again, if you're in a position already, you're fine. You're completely okay, right? But if you're looking to buy, so approach that, sell off, that, sell off, this, and we're selling off, you want to be very careful as we approach this $28 level, right? Well, guess what? We pushed that same level again, guys, and we were selling off again here, right? So you want to be careful. If you're looking for a brand new position here now, maybe look for like $22 if you can get it. But if you're in already, you should be okay. So that's lucid. Honestly, there's not a whole lot to it. You want to just be careful there. So there you go. Um, Good morning, Christy. Let me see. Oh yeah, I completely missed this here, John. I think you asked for this quite a bit, quite a bit. So GOEV here. GOEV. Mm, so like not Johnny. I'm not sure if you're in a position already because VR it looks good. But very similar situation here to Lucid, right, Johnny? That again we are approaching like $8 here is a level that's tougher to break above, right? So I'm gonna put a line here just for visual purposes here. So as we approach $8 here, so we pushed all the way to 786 and backed up right away, right? So again, as we approach levels like this, you want to be cautious, right? So if we can, again, you can initially on the way down here, this level is support, right? So you know what we say about support. Again, once we break below support, that level now becomes resistance. On the way up, it's resistance sell off. On the way up, resistance sell off, right? So again, until we can clear this level at $8 and break out and hold above that level, we're not really going anywhere, right? So if you're in a position already, you're fine. But if you're looking for a brand new position, wait for it to clear this level and hold above, and then maybe you can look to scale in there, or maybe just wait for a retracement, right? So, Johnny. G7 at the bottom. At the bottom. Going back in ATR on a $15 strike, Eric. Okay, nice, good. Live, yeah. Again, the more detail you give me with these stickers, guys, the better. Like you know what I'm looking for. So we've looked at live quite a bit already as well here. So life has had a very nice run. Like it's had a very nice run. We had this nice run here, retraced back all the way down to this level of support at 850 here. Now we're trying to recover here, right? So life looks good. Right. So life looks good here. To be watch for 13. Watch for 13. Uh, watch for 13. For some reason, like I can't say 13 because I don't know. One second. One 13. There we go. Yeah, watch for 13 on live. Lots of flying. I'll take a look at MAT. Take a look at MAT. Absolutely, John. Welcome. Okay, grab some calls. Let's say G7. Okay, nice. Okay, you're good then. You're good. You're in a good position there. Sounds good. Yeah, just don't go red on that position, right? There you go. Look at BB go. BB is going. Don't tease me. Don't tease me. I know we pulled up BB already, so yeah, BB looks good. We had support at $10 here. We had support at $10 there for the longest time for the last month or so. Um, and then we broke below that level and then right back above. So yeah, your next level to watch is 1150 here. So that yeah, that's your that level right there, that level right there, and that level right there, right? So Yeah, watch for 1150 ish here. So that's your next level of resistance to pay attention to for BB. And yeah, has been going again. Christy, I know that one's is it's yeah. Good morning, Eric. Yeah, let me take a look at MMT. Yeah, BB looks very good. Looks very good. Again, MMT guys, MMT is fine to me. Right. So as long as we can see it to hold $5 here, as you can see, again, we had a then again that was a very good entry at $3, right? $3, that was the entry level. There, $283. Very $3. Yep, there you go. Very good entry position there. So we had that nice push all the way to $6 again. In order for MMT here to start squeezing, needs to clear $6 and hold above that level. Not quite doing it yet, right? So for now, we're building support above the 50-day moving average, which also happens to be just around $5, right? So again, if we can continue to hold $5 here, looks good. Your next level to watch in terms of resistance is five. Yes, again, just pay attention to $6 there, right? So $6, guys. We're just bouncing up and down for now, so watch for six. DB Mono says DBGI, and we've looked at DBGI already today. So I'm not quite sure what your position is in there some, but I'm going to take a look again here. So dbgi here again, it's a super low flow that we're keeping an eye out for here. So again, as you can see, we clearly have support at that level there, right? So again, new recent IPO, right, we have support around like 280 here, 280, 245, sorry. So like, that doesn't seem right. So 245 here for support, right? And we're trying to recover here a little bit. Like we're trying to recover here. Watch for $3 here next. $3 and then 325. Those would be your next two levels to watch in terms of resistance. Right. So yeah, again, it looks okay here. This one has potential to move, right? Again, super low float momentum is starting to come in a little bit. So yeah, it can move. So is it gonna do it though? That's the question. Could pop with some volume. There you go, Brian. Yeah, yeah, it can move. It could really move. Some has potential, Brian. The has have seen it near 350 in pre-market. Okay, there you go. Yeah, it's one of those super low floats, right? So if volume can come in this play here, yeah, it can absolutely start moving. So I can see the games it's playing already. Some. Let's see. Am I missing anything here? Let's see. What's up, Evolutionary? Good to see you. How are you? Let me see. With a 5.4, huge potential. Yeah. Next level of support is $11. Ryan. So yeah, ATR support $11. Resistance 14. Ying says good morning. Can you take a look at Nero? 14% today. Yeah, sure. Naked Brands. Naked Brands is in the same group of Sundown that I don't like. Um, yeah. What am I looking for here? NURO NeuroMetrix. Whew, 14. What do you 14% here? Yeah. So Neuro looks fine here to me. I am yeah, again, like, as you can see, again, Neuro has some very good support at $10. I'm pretty sure we've said this multiple times, right? Again, multiple times. It seems like a coincidence. But right, again, Neuro at $10, that's your potential entry level there. Well, guess what? Bounce. Okay, cool. We come back down to that same level and we're holding that level again very nicely. Guess what? Another bounce of $10 again, right? So yeah, my entry missed at like $10 here. We're currently pushing in resistance here at $15, right? So we pushed all the way to 15.45 today and failed to hold above that level, right? So yeah, watch for $15 here today. Support at 13.25, 13 13 13.50 here. support at 1350. We came back all the way down here to 1360, holding that 1350 level. Resistance at $15. There's some. Those would be your levels to watch for Neuro. Brook 3, Brian. There you go. DJ No Corn says it's looking juicy. Juicy. Yeah, we'll take a look. I'll take a look again one more time here. So, I mean, will I? Will I take a look? Not really. Yeah, we're back below $3 there, right? So, yeah, it's up very nicely here today, right? 22%. Yeah, there you go. Hi, Queen. Usually I don't know. Usually bed in the morning, Queen. But then I go on talking, which I'm not quite ready for. And then by like evening, it's like, oh no, what have I done? But am I gonna change it? Absolutely not. Gonna keep doing it. Yeah, there you go. Maurice, if you can get like $11, if we can like just quickly drop to $11, that might be nice for you, Maurice. There you go. Don sauce. Don sauce. So I just need some calls and okay. Thank you, Terry. Here you go. So let's move on here. So those are all the tickets that we wanted to look at for now. So we're seeing quite a bit of green today, though, right? So today is a lot better for the market than Monday, Tuesday. So which is a very good thing there. So BB is still looking very good. Lucid is back to green, back above 25, so that's a very good sign there. MRM MEDIROM here still holding. More, yeah, I'm still holding $5, so that's a good sign there as well. And yeah, so I remember someone asking for Disney yesterday, and yeah, Disney still looks good here, right? So CEI guys, again, CEI looks fine to me as long as we hold that 150 level. So not a whole lot happening there. Any still just playing games around like $6 at TMC, um, red. STC guys needs to get back about 650 them, otherwise it's not quite ready to go anywhere yet. And then marine is absolutely being destroyed there. So there you go. And yeah, so let's move on here. Back to let's take a look at BBIG. La 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 la. Yeah, BBIG is doesn't seem like it's ready yet. Delete that there. And that's wow. Wow, wow. Have we been to 11 yet? Not yet. Not quite yet. And then this one here is selling off as well, right? So there you go. It's my morning sell-offs. Morning sell-offs, guys. So there you go. Pushed all the way to 1845 and then sold off right away again. If you're not quite sure what happens there, warning signs, right, guys? Again, as soon as stuff is running, like stuff is absolutely running and running and running, and then all of a sudden you see stuff like this. This is a signal. Usually, usually that people are taking profits, and there's usually one of these like one of these crazy candles here out of nowhere, just wakes up and runs. And then all of a sudden that's where that drop comes from, right? So yeah, and then we've been selling off ever since. Yeah. Whew. I missed the super chat. Still pissed? Oh no, why do I keep missing super chats, guys? I keep missing super chats. Water, thank you. Yeah. Only from John. Like John, what's with the name? Maybe that's why I miss it, John. Let me see if I can find it here. I'm sorry. Is that it? No, that's not it. Let's see. Let's see. Where is it? La la la. Can't find it, John. No, I can't find it. The last super chat I see here, the last super chat is from is from Foam here. So don't see any super chats from you. Uh, nah, is giving you a chance to buy back a little before it runs at the end of the day, and Nas, sure. Let it confirm that they're right, because that's speculation. Speculation. Let me see here. I need to get Mindy a link here, and then I'm gonna close out Discord here. Let's see. Baba. Andrew, interesting. Okay, thank you, Andrew. La, 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 la. One second. There we go. Oh, there it is. Super chat. I said good morning, and I see pushing 52-week highs. Good run. Let's go, John. Thank you very much for the super chats. Let's go. No, no. La, 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 la. Thank you for the super chat again. So there we go. Again, nice little candles, right? Again, one, two, three, four. Um, Finding support for $12 here, and then nice little bounce here. So let me take a look at IC. I know IC's IC. I know we looked at this one a bit ago. So I'm gonna quickly put up IC here and see what it's doing here. Wow, wow, wow. Where's the market open here? 22. Okay, cool. Pre-market. Okay, is that what it is? Interesting here. Yeah, look, it looks fine here to me. Yeah, new highs there. New 52-week highs here today. Yeah, this looks fine here to me. Yeah. John. The float is not the smallest, but yeah, it looks fine here to me. Not bad. Not bad at all. I just need a little bit more volume. Like this volume here is just not good enough. 1.2. That's not good enough to really start driving this up. But it looks good. It looks good. So yeah, there you go. Mm, 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 mm. There you go. What else are you guys watching this morning that's moving that I'm not paying attention to? What are you guys watching? Let me know. Gideon. For now, again, it depends on what you're planning on doing. So if it's a longer term position, you might want to look at BBIG. But if it's a quick scalp, I bet you if ATR hits $11, it has a better bounce, right, for you to make those quick profits right away. Gideon. So it depends on the plan. If it's a longer term play, Sava actually Sava. I believe we better than I could get from uh, Robert. I am. Amber, I know we looked at ERH, maybe not, but I know we wanted to look at RNAZ there this morning because pre-market mover and they had some good news. So, but yeah, Sava is the one that I want to take a look at actually. Sava. La, 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 la. Sava. Again, like Sava seems like it's like whenever we hit that $50 level, I know Christy and I always talk about Sava. So whenever we hit like around $50, it seems like it's a very good buying opportunity for Sava. So yeah, like Sava looks good here. Yeah, like every time we hit $50, it's a very nice bounce. So yeah, Sava looks good there. Volume is okay. It's a yeah, it's the float is not it's not a small float, but it's also not a mega float. So there you go. Sava. So Sava looks good there. Debbie. What else? Detroit. RNAZ. Yeah. I might need to pull up that. Might need to pull that up. In at 199 long term for now. Crystal. Okay, sounds good. La la la. Let me see. Is, Blue has good news this morning, starting to calm down now, hitting with okay, sounds good. A guy who's just here sounds good. Uh, yeah, take a look. I'll actually I'll put up our NAS there. So, Kenneth says, "Hey, I just jumped in today. I have a specific question. Do you think the Golden Cross on the daily on Chris is a whipsaw? I just learned Golden Cross. I just learned about Golden Cross and have 208 thoughts on selling now. A golden cross is a good thing, right? So I'm sure you know that. You're asking if you should be selling. Let me take a look. So Chris, you're in at 11. Thank you very much for the question. The specific question, the details. So let me take a look at that. So I'm gonna take a look at the daily because I think that's what you're looking at as well. So on Chris, the sticker here, or okay, I'm seeing that you are hmm. I mean, I just want to be with like without the cross there. I just want to take a look at and see like what the chart actually just looks like, and like what's this? Like why the sell off here? That's my question. Um, that's quite the sell off there, right, Kenneth? We clearly found support around like $7 here, so it's like in between seven and 780 here. That was the range initially, and then we broke above that range and pushed all the way to $9, right? And then now it seems like we're trying to find support here, $8 here. So honestly, for me, as long as this thing keeps closing, Kenneth, as long as this thing keeps closing above like $8 here, you're okay for now on a closing basis, right? Closing above $8, you're okay for now because once you start breaking below this level, we might just come back into this range of $7, right? So, just that would be my concern there. Because again, if you're wondering if you should be selling based on a golden cross, again, a golden cross is a good signal. Again, it's just another tool in the toolbox, right? So again, I'd be waiting for multiple things to line up. This isn't looking the greatest though, right? Again, we hit 880 here and we're backing off, right? So that's a little bit of a bearish signal there. But we're also trying to find support around $8 here, right? So as long as this level holds, you're okay for now. But if it breaks below, find a stop loss, please and thank you, right? So there you go. Etav says, "Good morning. Can you please check on MMT? I've looked at MMT already, Etav. Again, as long as the MMT keeps holding above $5, you're fine, right? $5, you're fine. So, oh, that's what you're looking for, a dead cross? Okay. Again, same message. There's a reason why, like, there's a reason why, like, again, there's a reason why I didn't quite go into details of the dead cross or whatever, like dead cross, golden cross, all of that stuff there. There's a reason why I didn't quite go into detail to validate your like your reason for selling there because again it's just one indicator, and the indicator is also lagging. Like every indicator is lagging. So by the time the dead cross or the golden cross comes to your attention, it's most likely played out already, right? So again, Kenan, that's why I'm not quite going into all the details of all of that, right? So again, so yeah, again, that's like nothing really changes there for me. If that thing breaks below $8, and then yes, you want to be concerned because again, cool, you're getting that dead cross, and now you're also getting a break below support, right? So that's the most important thing for me then. So yeah, super chats, AQST is red, Brooklyn. Yeah. Paywall, thank you for the super chat. Says holding ATR, bought the $12 dip. I'm gonna wait for a better day. You have a great day, Blaze and family. See you soon. Sounds good, Paywall. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day as well. Good morning, Breezy. Golden crust. With the golden crust. Unbelievable, guys. The golden crust. That's what Marco is here for, Kenneth. He's here for the golden crust. What's the history on BB on earnings? Only because he followed them closely. Um, so it seems like these earnings were better, right? Again, if you ask that question yesterday, it's a different answer. But the earnings are out already, right? Diamond earnings are out already. Seems like the market seems to like what they're doing, and they're performing very well here today. So, yeah. New here. How's BBIG? Wayne says new. BBIG looks BBIG is not quite ready for the next run. So yeah, watch for $6 there next year. Next level of support. Close to 21% short interest. Alan. Okay. Somebody say golden crust. AMC. Stop loss set, Robert. There you go. Stop loss, please. When you say confirm, um, when you say confirm, it holds about 14. What do you confirm? What do you confirm a confirmation? A specific number of candles above 14. Is it a factor of time? So it depends on like what you're doing, right? It also depends on like what you're doing. If it's a quick scalp, like if it's a quick play, like just a quick initial play there, usually when a candle breaks above 14, for example, and your very next candle comes back and tests that level and holds, right, on a quick scalp, like on a minute time frame or something, that's confirmation, right? That's confirmation of a potential entry and a scalp, right? And but again, you're reacting very quickly. And so when you're looking for a swing play, for example, you're looking for an hourly candle. For if an hourly candle can break above 14 and hold above that level for about an hour, that's confirmation, right? So that's what you're looking for a swing play. So yeah, that's a quick scalp versus a swing play liquid. So um I don't roadside. So absolutely liquid, absolutely. So it always depends on like what you're planning to do. It always depends liquid, right? So Daniel says, can you please look at INDP? Sure. INDP. Uh Yeah, INDP pump and dump, and pump and dump, pump dump, right? Pump. Oh no, it disappeared. Like the chart dumped it. Pump and dump, right? Dump, pump and dump, pump and dump, right? So again, all over the chart here, I see a lot of pumping and dumping on this chart. So this is no different. This last again, this pump here, no different here, right? So yeah, again, maybe there's a potential pump coming next because that's what it does. It dumps and then it pumps again. So INDP dump. So I'd be waiting for honestly. There's really no consistency other than pumping and dumping on this chart. There's nothing else there, right? So yeah, I don't know if you're in it already. If you are, maybe and then if you're looking for a brand new position, maybe look for like 650 here, right? So 650, maybe not that low. Yeah, so 670 here might be your next level entry, right? So unless we can find support at this $8 range here and start getting some green momentum here. If not, yeah, just let it keep dropping. Daniel. Well, I needed to pump again so I can dump. Okay, sounds good, Debbie. Yeah, it's just you might get another pump here soon because that's what it does. But other than that, when I look at the chart, there's really no yeah. AEMD O3. Okay. AEMD. I'll take a look O3. Uh big of the year. So the next one, you make it back vision. Okay, sounds good. Used to be wait for the next pump. Yeah, there you go, Chris. Yeah. Emmer says, can we look at ATR? Yeah, we have Emmer. We've looked at ATR quite a bit. If you have any questions, Emma, let me know. I'll take a look if you have any questions. So Molly says, I know you are properly question a lot, but I bought BBIG at 935. 935 long term without knowing they got a merger. I am scared. Oh no. Oh no, guys! I know, like, there's as much as we want to say it's okay, but there's that deep, like, there's I honestly don't know what to tell you because that's coming from a valid place. Even though BBIG, guys, even though BBIG is a good company, and you just never know, like, you just never know that, like, the type of stuff that's going on behind the scenes. We know the info we get. We know the NFTs. We know there's this and this and this and this and this and this, and that. Uh, but again, SQRT is just driven a very real fear into people when it comes to, like, holding for mergers, right? So I'm scared that it will be like SPRT, not sure what to do. Thanks. Like, how would you guys answer this question? How would you guys answer this question? The third, I stay away unless you want flush your money. There you go, Michael. How would you guys, someone that's fellow BBIG holders, close to form a new or stock ticker Detroit? Unbelievable. Unbelievable, Detroit. I thought I had it. Um, holding BBIG at yeah, a pray for you put. You win some. Oh wow, you guys are not very you guys are not get very reassuring. Molly's looking for there's absolutely no reassurance here. um no reassurance at all. Look at these answers, guys. Look at these answers. Destroy says BVIG is merging with Clove to form a new war sticker, war stock ticker. But Zod says after SPOT I would touch BBIG with a 10-foot pole. Brian says, ouch. I thought I had it bad. had it bad. Bag holding BBIG at 787, but I'll pray for you both. Unbelievable. A guy says, you win some, you lose some. Debbie says, I'm hanging on for dear. Hey, this is unbelievable. You guys are like just if you know what you're holding, $6 billion company, Paula, yeah. Like, just no confidence at all from any single one of you guys. And BBIG and Torch merger completely different area. Team wanted to get into NASA about a falling torch company. BBIG taking a large percentage of valuable company. Yeah, I agree. If it's a long term play and you believe in it, um, I would set an alert and get about it. Yeah, there you go. Forget about it. There you go. Peter says counts as an expensive education. So you know what, place BBIG is rubbish. Right now. So enjoy the 5 minute of your day. There you go. There you go, Tim. I was looking for confidence, guys. Like, I feel like we've been talking about how BBIG is a good play. It's like they have all these things going for them in terms of like, again, the company they're acquiring. Market cap is about to increase. You're about to get a nice dividend. NFT dividend there. I was looking for stuff like that, and I just got absolutely nothing. You know, BBIG is moving. Okay, good. Let's go back here, guys. So BBIG. I'm glad BBIG is moving there. So Molly can feel a little bit more confidence. Is BBIG? Well, BBIG needs to clear 650 here, guys. Otherwise, it's gone nowhere. Right. So BBIG again, we might get a massive warning sign here. BBIG fails at 650 here again. That's gonna be a huge red flag. Even though we're running here, you want to be yeah. So there you go. And we're dropping already there, right? So just be careful them. Not there's nothing there yet. It's just a little bit of hope. ATR still holding that $12 level there. Cassava. Looking good. Still looking good there, guys. Stay calm. Yeah. My fate. Queen says, remind me to never put my fate in you guys. Hit I faster than a horn. High schooler with zero morals. Wow. There you go, Queen. Oh, I know. It's just like, I was looking. Reviews were not good. The idea is good, but the app seems to be poorly built. Brian? Okay. uh, did I do BBIG? Wow. Andrew. Interesting. There you go. Thank you. Quick question. Mom, is it still worth to choose to chase after a GERE? Not for me, honestly. I would stay away from that thing for now. Again, you can trying to break 11. Nice. Damn it. Yeah, Blackberry looks good. Not for me, honestly. Is it worth chasing GRE them? There's just so much negativity around it. Honestly, you can make some nice gains on it because it's been nice. Just been pushed down so much, right? You can get a nice little rebound there. You must have missed us. Oh yeah, Debbie, of course. I have. You can only lay down Debbie for so much for so long, and yeah, I just withdrawers. There you go. Someone has to hold the bag. There you go. Yeah, $12 seems to be a very good support actually for double bottom here, right? So double bottom here, $12 for ATR guys, and yeah, here we are bouncing again. So very nice. ATR. Momo says update on DBGI. Where are we sitting at currently? Let me see if we are. Uh, yeah, nothing's really changed yet. Some yeah, that thing needs to get back above $3. Momo. There you go. Zane says would never touch a GRE. There you go. Negativity is code for Wall Street bets. Just Dustin. Uh, uh, yeah. Yes. Yes. I know. Honestly, they've been plays that have been in and they've been performing so well. As soon as Wall Street Bets comes in, it's like, oh, here we go now. Here we go. They're about to cause. They're about to bring all the shorts, right? But oh no, he's all says GERE can suck it. Might get a little. Also be selling at 3.5 million shares. Yeah. In the play though, I'm still not convinced that it will continue to go up. It has potential for it to go with three short term. Okay, sounds good. Time will tell, Brian. Okay, sounds good. Yeah. When it will be want to buy it on a nice day, Bonnie. Yeah. I don't know if you want the shorts to be involved, Bonnie, because once the shorts get involved, I just continue. Yeah, soon. I was just waiting for someone to come on. Mindy's supposed to come on. Neil is supposed to come on. Not sure where these guys are. We'll see. Shorts are not. Yeah. Ying says thoughts on NAC. Is NAC a different ticker from Naked? Like, is that a different ticker? Ying, drinking bottle juice. Yeah, yeah. The water is empty, so need to go get some more. No, I'm not supposed to do that. The fishing group. Interesting vanishing act. Yeah. Vanishing acts. Forest fires. I know, Diamond. She's starting some fires. Not surprised. Nah. Yeah, different ticker, Stevie. Okay, sounds good. I'll take a look. I'll take a look, Ying. Sounds good, Queen. Let me look at one more. Let me take a look at NAC here, and then I'll get some water. So and also I need to get those vitamins. Need to get them. Yeah. So it's gonna take. That's why I'm waiting because it's gonna take me more than a few minutes to do all of that. So. Northern Dynasty. This another penny stock that's up 10% here today. Mm. Yeah, it's up. Sure it's up 10%, but it's also up to a level that I wouldn't like. I'd be very careful buying the right Stevie and Ying. So yeah, like it's up to like this range here. You want to be very careful there. I think it looks good today. Like if you're in it already, it looks fine. You're in like or you're up 10% here, but 10% is not a whole lot, right? So yeah, I don't know what these guys do. Maybe I can find out here. So Northern Dynasty Mineral engages in exploration, gold and copper mineral properties. It holds interest in. Okay, cool, interesting. Yeah, Mike, it looks fine to me if you're in it already. But if you're looking for a brand new position, then you want to be very careful here because we have some very strong resistance as we approach this level here at 52 cents there. So yeah, yeah, like right there, sell off, right there, sell off, like sell off over and over. So you want to be careful as we approach $52 here on naked there. I'm not buying, but okay, sounds good. It's the whole 15 before $15 liquid. She gave up on duck hunting. No, she finally got a new I don't know if she's worked on it yet, so if she's attached it yet, but yeah. So let's see that works. Neuro, let me take a look at Neuro again here. So la 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 la. Yeah, Nero needs to clear that $15 level there. Liquid, right? So we're currently sitting at 14.39. Yeah, we need to clear 14, right? So it's up 18% right now. Yeah, it's had a nice run here actually. Nero, I'm gonna replace something else in New York. So BB is above diamond, above $13 there. So above 11. Sorry, 13. You need a link, William? You need a link? You need a link? There you go. So Nero, I'm gonna put up Nero in place of something else there on the chart. Is that AMC? Yeah, that's AMC there. Still holding $40. BBIG again, guys. Yeah, BBIG unless BBIG breaks above 650 here, guys, not ready. It's not ready, right? So yeah, not ready. So I'm gonna leave that there. Leave ATR up there, and then I'm gonna take off Cassava here for Nero. There we go. As There you go, ATR, and yeah. Somebody get him help. Ask about getting into somebody. Let's see here. Brian, nothing's changed here, right, Brian? Again, it seems like we'll find holding support at $12 for now on ATR. Every time I hear you open your metal water, I swear it sounds like a weed jar, or no, just in it. Uh, Mary Jane vitamins? No, not Mary Jane vitamins. Yeah, ATR. Yeah, yeah. The market has just been yeah. If it becomes a problem, pass it on. Dustin. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Is something as such as weed water a cap down this week? Do you see any call options for for FedEx. For some reason, FedEx has been mystery. It's been around, like it's been mentioned quite a bit. Some yeah, yes, the green. Yeah, I've never actually tried it, Hazel and Dustin. Yeah, never actually tried it. So CBD water, that's a thing. Okay, CBD water. Maybe that's gonna be helpful for me. Some. I thought the name speaks for itself. Cuba? No, it does not. It does not. Uh, what's a good entry for cat? Long time? Long term? What's a good entry for cats? Caterpillar. One second, let me send. Um, One second, guys. La, 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 la. Natural medicine is never too late to try. It truly does help everything. He's okay. Let me take a look at cats. You're looking strong. You getting Vincent a little bit, or at least pretending to be. You have to believe it. You have to fake it. I guess you have to fake it. I'm just kidding. But yeah, so we'll see. Red says THC and CBD, everything and everything. Wow, wow. Mm, mm. Um, Yeah, there's honestly not a standout. Usually, there's a standout in terms like place we can make, but the reason is getting treated by the village witch doctor. Yeah, yeah, Peter. Yes, sacrifice little goats. Here you go. La, 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 la. Let me take a look at Caterpillar. I know Caterpillar has been a long-term player Hazel for a long time. Like it's been a consistent consistent mover for a long, long time. So uh, that's not what I'm looking for. Yeah, let's see. Oh, until recently, Cats has been performing well. I think this is again, like this run here was the last time I looked at it. Again, nice push, retracement, continuation. But this time seems a little bit different here. So we're actually breaking below. So what I've been looking for potentially is this level, right? I think I just lost it. Like right there, like 184-ish. So you can obviously see that we've had a nice bounce of like 188 here, so that's a nice bounce there. But like 184 would have been like a very nice entry, Hazel. So for like long term position. So like when I look for a long term position and I see stuff like this, we've had a nice retracement already. I want to make sure that the company is fine. Like fundamentally, it's completely okay, and then scale in. Right after a drop like this, I'm scaling in into a long term position, and then I'm looking for now. Like once I have that initial position, with some capital that's intended for this same ticker, and then now I'm looking for these levels, right? So 184 would be my next level there to watch for. Again, initially resistance, on the way down here that support. So again, 180, 184 here, that's your next range to look for. And then after that, you're looking for brand new levels, like one you can look for like 160, 154, 155 here. Those would be your next levels to watch. um to get back in. Just not sure where is a good point. There you go. Have you ever seen the back of a $20 bill on weed? Oh no, Dustin. MVSC did come back the last days. Loxer, it came back. Is that what you're asking, or what are you asking? Oh yeah, BBIG sleeping. So again, guys, this is why, like we say this all the time. when like once we talk when we talk about short squeezes, guys, again, BBIG was one that was being mentioned on Twitter over and over. It's a short squeeze coming. It's a short squeeze coming. But what people don't understand is like once majority of the people are in a play already, like again, a lot of people in BBIG, like a lot of people in BBIG, and now you're still asking for a squeeze. Um, and you don't want to be making decisions based on that anymore, right? Because we've had a nice run already. So don't care. That's why when like stuff is running already and people asking for the short squeeze, it's like okay, whatever, sure, maybe, but that's not really something that I pay attention to. It's a funny movie quote. Oh, Dustin. Okay. Oh, no idea. What's the next support for GOCO? Let me take a look at GOCO. Some water. Yeah. Oh, absolutely. I know. Uh, 1 second, guys. 1 second. I'm gonna fix up these charts here, and then well, let me take a look at GOCO here. So GOCO support at $5. Watch for $5 there. That would be the next level to watch in terms of support. Uh, there you go. And ATR still holding that $12 level, right? Some holding that 12, pushing for $13 here now. Some yeah, double bottom at 12, and Neuro is yeah, up and down, up and downs. My music about to die. There you go. Let me get some water, guys. Let me get some water. Be back soon, 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 soon. When are you taking your morning break, Hazel? I know I need like I'll say yesterday is like especially if no one's on, we're gonna take a break for like lunch. Hazel. So like in like an hour and like 10 minutes. Yeah, for sure, for sure, for sure. So yeah, we'll take a break. Especially if the market is this rubbish, like this slow. Yeah, especially. Is it over for what do you mean is it over? Are you in a position already, Monolight? Let me know. ATO back to green by close. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's see. Travis. Travis himself, guys. Travis. Travis, good to see you, Travis. How are you? What's so funny, Travis? Honestly, Travis, what's so funny? Where's the support line for Neuro? I'll take a look, Justin. I'll take a look. I'll take a look at the daily chart here. Um, Again, I know you're most likely asking in terms of like I know you're asking in terms of like a day trade, a scalp here. That's what I think that's what you're asking for. Because again, if you're asking for like a longer term position, your entry like your position, your entry position was around like $10, right? So, in terms of support here for today, you want to be watching that 1350 again. That's your next level to watch potentially. That's where the next level of support is. So, 1350 again. We came back all the way down here to 1360 and held this level, right? So, 1350 is our level to watch now. There you go. Uh, la, la, la. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. Film Peach. RWLK is ripping today. Okay, let me take a quick look. Let me switch to the daily here. La, 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 la. I can see a lot of like conversation happening on like on social media about Robinhood too. So 31%, 31%. Yeah, I mean, it looks very good today. So yeah, yeah. If you're in a position already, it looks very good, right? So yeah, it looks fine here to me. 1237, 1236. Okay, yeah, it looks good. Na, na, na. Travis says, "Can you guys see how long Travis has been gone for?" That's why Travis is like, "How have you been? How have you been?" Travis, questionable. Been questionable. I shall squeeze soon. Nah. You're buying now, Christian? Yeah, yeah, Travis. Yeah, I've been questionable. No. Yeah, it's actually yeah, it, like it, yeah. I don't know what. Yeah, 25 there. Yeah, if we can start closing, I'm going to switch these candle sales. I can see what's exactly what's going on there. Some, yeah, this thing had a nice run, profit taking, and we're trying to recover again. Some watch for like 1260 here, right? Not 1260, 260. Some, if this thing can get back up to 260 here, and then that's a very good sign. For this thing here. So we've pushed to 242 already. So we need to clear that level. Otherwise, we're just in that same range there, right? Yeah. If you're in at 234. Okay, sounds good. Selling at 240, 6 cents. Wow. Yeah, you could tell like Christian goes in hard, like all in, and then he gets at 6 cents because 6 cents to him might be like a few $100 or whatever. So, Mina, you bought 1,000 shares at 10 plus for BBIG. Well, I hope we can get back above $10 plus for you. So, I mean, otherwise, that's going to be very painful if it's another SPR team. If yeah, because the longer we wait without like any like we more without more clarity here, without like more stuff, more substance on these guys, the more it seems like SPRT. So we need some more details from BBIG. More details, please. More details. It's lunch or dinner money, Christian. Okay, sounds good. Lunch and dinner. There we go. Yeah, some, and we're dropping here a little bit, Christian. Some. There you go. Let me just look at the rest of the list here, guys. Again, like there's really nothing here that's a standout in terms of like easy play. But yeah. CEI guys still holding that 150, right? So that's a good sign there. What else? Best looks fine there. 10%. Oh, looks good. FCell slightly green. OPAD reds. And then Fuse is now gone. New ticker symbol there, so I'm gonna get rid of that. CCJ back to $20. And what else? GRE there, $27. Yeah, don't touch. Not for me. Maybe back at $2. Maybe it's gonna get another squeeze there. Robinhood actually looking wow. Oh my goodness. We looked at Robinhood a few days ago at 40 something, $41, $40, and yeah, we're sitting at 41, 47 now. That's impressive. Nice. Very nice. And yeah, AMC is still holding $40 there, right? So that's at least a positive for now. BBIG though, not looking so good. Not looking so good. The lines can update there. There we go. Yeah, BBIG is not looking good there. So watch for $6 there, guys. $6 is the next level to watch. As there we go. Double bottom on a ATER here. Yeah, it's $12, and here we are pushing for 14 again, right? So support at $12 for now, and then resistance. Nothing's changed when it comes to that level. $14, right? So yeah, looking better. Looking better. Is that Detroit says rubbish? Oh no, guys! The longer BBIG takes, guys, the people are starting to lose confidence. People are starting to lose confidence. You can tell, and that's not a good thing. uh, Johnny says, liking a Saba suggestion, got in at 55. Can you share more about the swing, long term potential, please and thank you. Again, you want to be careful with Sava, thinking to drop more in. Okay, sounds good. Just don't go red, please and thank you. Johnny, don't go red in that play because that thing is very volatile. F- yeah, that thing is very volatile, right? So yeah. Let me see. Oh, Amber sent me a Amber. Amber, did I miss you? Like, did I miss your thing? Oh no, I don't think I did. Pretty sure I missed something here from Amber. Oh, it hasn't just showed up yet. Let me see. Why is my software lagging here a little bit? I can see on the YouTube side that Amber is Hmm. Oh, is it the stop? Okay, there you go, Johnny. Good. Uh, 5 months, Amber. Amber, thank you very much, Amber. Thank you. We're fancy now. Fancy now. Much love, Amber. Fancy. I was just waiting for it to show up here, but it doesn't want to. Amber is Amber in almost like it put Amber in a timeout or something. Yeah, I don't know why I can. Yeah, I can see you there now, but yeah, ATR guys, back above $14. Like it's just all over the place. Back to some excitement here on ATR. You missed mine too, Queen. Like what's going on? How come I'm missing that stuff? Wow, ATR is actually exploding here now. At least trying to. So very nice, nice double bottom there 12, and yeah, I'm looking good. Let's see if we can get back to green. I know it's a huge ask over here and help bring back that Darren says BBIG, I'm in for the long run. Hasn't been pretty last week, blood red, and but shorts haven't covered. No, Darren. Again, the shorts don't have to cover. Like the shorts don't have to cover right away. They can cover. They can cover in ways that you're completely unaware of right there in some dark pools and things like that. So, again, that's never really a focus for me. I think you're in it because of the company itself, and that's good, right? That's all you need to do. So, because you have no control over what the shorts can do. So, there you go, Queen. Um, 5 months. Wow, 5 months. Like time has just flown by, honestly. It's been 5 months with you guys. Unbelievable. You guys have been okay. Hey, go. Noah with the soup. Don't miss this one, or I want my money back. Let's go, Noah. Thank you very much, Noah. Good morning. Thanks for waking up, Noah. What time is it? Also, Noah, I sent a message to Kim, and they were like, "Oh, yeah, it's still." We told Noir it was a production watch, whatever that means. It's just that clarity wasn't there when you did the giveaway, and now it's a production watch and it's delayed. That's very annoying. I just completely ignored it, and yeah, a shutter band. Yeah, so I don't know, Amber. No, I can see your comments, but yeah. $12, 1201 after selling at 16. Let's go, Calvin. Yeah, 12. Like double bottom at 12, right? There you go. Resetting, resetting. So I don't know. No, it seems like the intention is your watch is still coming, right? So you're deleting as I was setting them. Okay, sounds good, Amber. I don't know. Don't know. Yeah, like $14 for like ATR is a very it's a level that you just want to be careful around. Like it seems like we're flushing at this level often. So you just want to be careful around here, around 14. So yeah, I don't know if we're actually gonna run today on ATR. I know some of you guys are very confident, but I'd be very cautious around this level here. It's not quite a buy level yet. So I was saying if it's a motorcycle, it sounds worse out of context. Okay, sounds good. Let's go, Eric. Good job. Good job. Good job. Is dumping, but could be a good entry point. Brian. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, watch for $6 potentially, for STC then. Again, my main concern for STC has always been it's a huge float. So it doesn't move quite as easily. You guys know what I'm excited to watch today for like TV shows? Survivor. Do you guys watch any? You guys watch Survivor? Survivor. I'm excited for Survivor to come back. It's been like one of my favorite shows for a long time. Survivor previously. Uh, Mark White says, "Good morning. Let's get them likes up, yeah, guys. If you haven't smashed the like yet, guys, take a second, smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and share the link as well if you can." Kenneth says, "Clove is consolidating. In your opinion, do you think as is a good entry point? Is it a target? Yeah, that's and stop at realistic. Yeah, that's perfect, Kenneth. Yeah, that's realistic for me, Kenneth. That's fine." If I like, I would do the same thing, Kenneth. So yeah, I'm okay with that. Wow, really? Wow, that's amazing. I was a cameraman on Survivor for 4 years. That's amazing. That's amazing, amazing. I think Survivor is cool. I work on the seat NAS. You work on the sets. Wow. Yeah, Jasmine, it is reality show. It's good. They also bring the lost, the BBIG edition. Andrew, you know what? You can suck it. Yeah. only America can we make a game show about living in a third world country for a month. Yeah, damn it, I know. Yeah, so I think yeah, I think the first episode was yesterday, but are you gonna try to get on the show? No, I'm not interested. Not interested in on like going on any shows. I just want to watch it, Queen. Like I just yeah, I'm not interested in going. I don't want to go on Survivor or like any of the shows I like. I just like watching them. Today, yes, it's the first one, Andrew. I think Survivor, Kansas. You got in at $3. $3. Again, like Jay Reed says, do you think we see 7 or 8s again? I think so. Eventually, um, I think so. Eventually, it might take some time, but again, I think you're in a very good position. So maybe just find a level that you're completely happy with, the whole country. No, I just find an J, just find a level that you're happy with and set a stop loss at that. Again, just an amount, maybe for example, that you're happy locking in profits around that, and then go from there. Some and here we are, ATR guys again failing at $14 again. When you want to be very careful around $14, some BBIG slowly creeping down to 6 guys. Next season, Survivor comes in. Next season, yeah, can you take? Oh yeah, I wanted to, Brian. I need to take a look at that. Yeah, I'll take a look. That's yeah. I moved from camera to trading from after COVID. I shut down most production, and you have helped me a lot. Think Film Peach. Wow. Well, don't worry. We're Survivor friends now. You can give me some insights, and I'll help you with whatever you need. There you go. And Compton's not that bad. I have no idea. I have no idea. I just get what you guys portray to me from the media that comes in is movies, right? Yeah. Santorini. Santorini is a place, isn't it? Tom. Nice. Okay, there you go. There you go. Film. Thank you. Profit I'll make is $500 to $1,000. J. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, don't lose all of it though, right? So, yeah, fine. Lock it. Like again, set a stop loss at half of it, and then go from there. Amber's basement or no? Greek island. Okay, sounds good. I don't know. Not really. I don't know. I'm not huge on like I don't know. Not huge on the vacations. I don't know, but we'll see. I'd be so bored. Yeah, Greece. Okay, sounds good. Let's see. RNAZ is what I want to take a look at. Let me pull up the daily again here. La, la. Transcope. I know these guys. There was some stuff going on with these guys earlier this morning. Let me see if I can pull up that news article again here. So why these guys are moving? Maybe Trading VI has it actually. So news, the news. So the 23rd. So TransCode Therapeutics publishes preclinical data on therapeutic potential of TTZ TTX MC one in cancer nanotechnology. Okay, cool. And they're up 56% this morning, right? So it looks very good. If you're in it already, right? It looks very good. I'd have to take a look at a smaller frame here just to see what's going on. So I'm going to take a look at the 5 minute chart here, and just to see. And yeah, like this thing's had a very nice morning, right? So again sold off as we approach the open here, and then had a nice run here, right? So yeah, it looks good to me. Like it looks good. It's been consistent for most of the day here, right? So yeah, other than that, there's not a whole lot to say here. So if you're holding this thing already, it looks fine. If you're looking for a brand new position, then that's a different question. That's I'd be patient. I'd be waiting though, right? So it doesn't move a whole lot. It doesn't seem like so. Like, what's the float like here? super low float here. Volume is there though, like news volume, and it's a low float. This might have been one that we missed this morning, which because again, uh, I think I just started way too late. I didn't have enough time to cover this, but yeah. So good news. Volume is there, 93 million in volume. Super low float, right? So this thing can actually really move. So yeah, yeah. So it looks good. Please. Jesus, you're in at 159. Okay, sounds good. Ryan says, sold my BBIG. My mental health couldn't take it anymore. I can live with a little bit of a loss and not will not be going near mergers again. I know. I know. Like it's just yeah, you just have to do you just have to do what you have to do, Ryan, right? So if you can't take it mentally, it's not worth it, right? So yeah, like if BBIG is just frustrating you, there's nothing wrong with that. So please, what's the website with the top movers you always open in the morning? Kuba, it's called Benzinga. So if you search up pre-market movers, Kuba, if you take a look at the list, Benzinga is gonna be one of them. Just click on it and you'll be good to go. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, SCC is pissing you off. Yeah, it's just the week, guys. The week has just been weird. It's just a slow week, so you have to be patient here. What's Andrew? What rubbish is Andrew sending me now? Andrew's sending me some rubbish about GREE here. Let me take a look, guys. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, just so someone posted on Twitter. So ticker symbol GREE, non-stop money burning, guys. So it's just yeah. Uh, yeah, rubbish. Absolute rubbish. Yesterday too. Oh yeah, Jasmine you sold yesterday as well. Okay. Spitting facts. What's green? What rubbish is green saying? Let me see. That is all. Okay. UFOs. Oh no. We. Yeah, exactly. Green. Yeah. Exactly. Um. I was getting. Yeah. I know, right? Good morning, Iman. How are you? Good morning. And praying for a turnaround. I'm hoping merger will bring good returns, but you're skeptical. You know what's funny, guys? A little bit better, Alistair. A little bit. Thank you for asking. So you know what's funny? So the fact that people are they're very skeptical on BBIG might actually be a good thing. People are selling BBIG because they're running away from all the mergers. But watch BBIG be like the best merger ever. Like how the market like just loves irony. That might be what happens here. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. It's just a matter of time, right? So again, going to October here, guys, it's gonna be huge for BBIG, right? So we're just gonna have to wait and see. Let me go back here to BBIG and what's AMC doing? AMC is still holding up very nicely there. While BBIG just slowly dying to $6 again, failing at that level that he say is a huge red flag, right? Red flag, and watch for $6. Seems like again $6 might actually be where we bounce where we again find support at and then bounce from there, right? So hopefully. I think the bottom might just be like 550, 550 and $6. I think that might be the bottom here for VBIG. I think that might be where we see okay, that's it, and then maybe start turning around here. Hopefully. Will not be another torch, Leonam. Yeah. Green says who knows. Yeah. You're staying positive, Eric. Yeah, you have yeah. You're too scared to sell your BBIG. Patience typically pays off. Hazel, patience on SPOT was absolute disaster. So, um, yeah, we'll see. Hope. Darren says, sounds like hopeism. Yeah, s- way below my average, Eric. I know. Uh, yeah, Dapper, Hood, SoFi, and Lucid. Yeah, Robinhood is looking good. SoFi, what's SoFi looking like actually? Let me take a look at SoFi. Wow, yeah, SoFi's had a nice couple of days here, so not bad. Yeah, man, I saw AMHC. Yeah, it was on the list this morning. Besides that, it's green. I need to never mention it again. I know, Hazel. Yeah. Robert says, when everyone starts getting out of something and running away, that's usually a good sign to jump in. Yeah, exactly right, Robert. We'll see. We'll see, Robert. We'll see what happens there. We need a watermelon. I know. We need a watermelon, guys. I think it's just the market, the cycle we're in. Right. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, guys. Thank you for smashing the like, guys. If you haven't smashed the like yet, let's get to 300 likes. So if you haven't smashed the like yet, take a second, smash the like. And I feel like you know something we don't. No, I'm just going off the. I'm just basing this off the last time we retraced from six from 12, right? Robert, we last time we retraced to from that level again. $6 was the level, like in between 550 and $6. That was the level of support, right? And then we bounced again to 11. So we might do the exact same thing again. So some very good support at $6. Hopefully we can bounce around like around this level here. I just feel like talking about rubbish today for some reason, Queen. Go ahead. Absolutely go ahead. I'm here for it. Here for it. So yeah. Yeah guys, let's keep going for another 40 minutes here. 40 minutes and then we can take a break and then yeah, maybe come back for end of the day if things actually start moving some. I'm gonna put a buy. Royo, you're gonna put a buy at on BBIG. Okay. Yeah, just make sure you have a plan though, right? Just make sure you're ready. Just make sure you have a plan. So what is support for Ford? That's a question for Queen, because Queen is the Ford person. Ford. Um, yeah, but I can take a look at the chart as well. So, as Jen who says, but stop calling alleged stocks I own rubbish. Okay, I'll try not to. But if you're holding rubbish, oh yeah. So any price target. I mean, like price targets are don't want to give up price targets. Right? As yeah. Hazy says, stop buying rubbish, Nas. Stop buying rubbish. From that huge drop past month, yeah, Paul. My kids have forward stock. Okay, nice, Leona. Forward. Robert says, can you give us an example of a catalyst that would cause the stock to squeeze, like BBIG? I mean, like catalysts, it can be anything, absolutely anything. So we know in the past month or so, Robert, the catalyst has been anything that's shorted, like anything that's showing up with on the short again that's shorted and like in terms of catalyst, like it can be a merger, it can be anything useless, like anything absolutely useless. What's really important is momentum, right? Like once people latch onto that and they find out that yeah, it's shorted and there's something coming up. It can be a merger, an announcement, anything that's coming up. But the most important factor is FOMO, right? Again, if you take a look at the short interest data there for most of these names, when it's pumping, when it's squeezing, it's not that the shorts are really covering. Right, it's not that the shorts are really covering, it's that people are FOMOing into those names. So once momentum dies, once people are done FOMOing in a BBIG, for example, what happens is, well, nothing happens, right? So there you go, like FOMO is huge volume, like Eric says, right? So yeah, and yeah, so yeah, people just need to be excited about that ticker, and it goes and push down again, crypto. Are you planning on like buying and selling again, or like what are you asking? Crypto rockets here. Do I think it's gonna go back up to that level? I think, well, I think you want to be careful as we keep failing at $14 here, right? So eventually, if we keep failing at this level, eventually we're gonna go back to $11. So that's my concern there for ATR. Absolutely, Robert. For give me a minute. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good, Queen. Yeah. Always says, can you check RNAZ? Yeah, we looked at it already. Always, not too long ago. So, like, are you in a position looking for a position? What are you looking for? What is Alan says? What is the next level of support? Nothing again. So it seems like today, Alan, we've done a double bottom. We've been to 12 twice and two times. Twice we bounced off that level, right? So yeah, $12 is your level to watch, and then below that it's 11, 11, and then 10. So every dollar below that. Thoughts on Tilray. You know what? Let me do some. Let's do some. Is Reddit just a mass pump and dump that hides behind short squeezes, but is just foaming buying? Yes. A quick answer: yes, yes, yes. That's what it is. Yeah, that's what it is. uh, Calling buys royal. Yeah, is Reddit a mass pump and dump that hides behind short squeezes? But it's just FOMO buying? Yes. I want to say yes, yes, so many times. That's why I'm reading that question for a second time, because I just want to keep saying yes, yes, yes. Hosier, Green Tom. I just want to keep saying yes and yes, because that's exactly what it is. Pump and pump and dump and pump. Yeah, there you go. Uh, what else? Let me take a look at us. Some. Let me do some ticker requests here, guys. Some, because I know quite a few names are being asked for. Some. So I'm gonna start off by looking at R. Is it RGS? Is that the ticker? RGS. I think so. No, no, no. So this one's up 3% here today. I mean, RGS of Sultan. Okay, sounds good. So RGS here is not looking so hot though, right? Sultan, like this thing is, again, if you take a look, you can notice that we're trending lower. Again, we're getting 1 2 green candles, continuation, 1 2 continuation, right? So again, like what's happening here? We're about to get another red candle here, and then continue going lower. So again, that's the question, right? Again, this thing looks okay here today. It seems like we're trying to find support, but you need that confirmation, right? So let me see if I can maybe put in like a downtrend here or something for you to maybe keep an eye out for. Um, that's not really gonna work there. I might have to fix that a little bit there. So I'm gonna do that instead there. If my things here can work. I just want to see if I can get as many touches as possible. Again, this is thing I'm gonna delete that. That's not exactly what I'm looking for there. Unless I go to the very top, which might work actually, but I'm not gonna do that again. So we just need some consistency with this name though, right? Sultan, for now it looks very bearish, like it just looks very bearish. So you need some consistency again. Like what you're looking for potentially is this thing is yeah, you just need, again, so if we can start gaining some momentum here and some volume really comes in, right? We need some volume to come in on this name here, and then maybe you can take a little gamble, because again we're eventually going to go for a nice run, just like this, right? Again, eventually a nice run there, eventually again continuation, again, just like what I'm saying is, you don't want to catch a knife, like potentially like this gamble here, and then we're doing this again, right? So yeah, eventually we're gonna go for a nice run, but you need that confirmation, right? You need some confirmation, then go from there. So let it prove to you that let it, again, let some volume come in, let it show that it's about to go green, it's about to start running, and then you can go from there. Microvision, Microvision, and this. It's funny. Like Microvision does the same thing over and over and over and over and over. Right? Like it's over and the same thing. It's like 12. Your entry is like $12, 11, 12, 11, and 12, all the way to 18, 21, all the way back down to 12, all the way back up. Same thing over and over and over. So yeah, I think you might have. I hope. So we came back all the way down this time to 11.50 ish here, and we're trying to bounce again, right? So again, next level to watch for resistance is $15 here, for Microvision. So yeah, trying to bounce here for Microvision. So, well, interesting, interesting. Jay says BBIG is driving me crazy. I know it is, Jay. I know it is. It's frustrating for a lot of people. I think it's almost time for the run up, Sultan. Okay, sounds good. Block trader 1 million share at nine. Oh wow, 390. Uh, interesting, 390. I know, Jay. Like it's frustrating for a lot of people. I think a lot of people are selling it already. So yeah, watch for that $6 level here to hold. Again, the last time we came back down to this level, we held a bit. We held $556 and then pushed back to $11. Right. So I wanna thank you. My wife thinks I'm a trading genius. Hot trades are secret, Diamond. Let's go. Let's go, Diamond. Absolutely, Diamond. Teamwork, teamwork. Good morning, Fabian. Good morning, Fabian. Good morning. Looking for an entry? Okay, sounds good. So Zane is looking for an entry in Sun L. Sunlight Financial. Sunlight. Uh, hmm. I want to say Zane. This might not be too bad there, but volume isn't there yet. The float isn't bad though, right, Zane? Again, as you can see, this area is not bad at all here. Like it's not a bad area here. Like around like five. What level is this? Five, like 530, 530. Yeah, not bad at all here. 530. That might be yeah. So again, if you get in here, just make sure you have a stop loss in mind below $5 potentially. Like if I get in at 530 here, my stop loss would be like 499. Because if we break below this level, then I don't want it because it becomes something like this, right? And then we might flush down lower. So yeah, like this isn't bad at all. Here, Zane. Would you suggest to hold, be able to manage efficiently map? So how many again? Like question for you guys. I can't remember who was asking about Ford, Queen. So again, this question for you guys as well. Like, how many tickets can you hold at a time? That gives you again that you're able to manage them properly. So for me, like again, like my positions are usually so big that I just like to deal with like one position at a time, unless I'm dealing with like like swinging options. But like three positions at a time, map might be enough. So try not to do too much. Otherwise, you're just all over the place. Mhm. That's the hope, Jay, right? Again, nothing's a guarantee. As we get closer into the merger, Jay, and also the initial momentum has died off, that initial hype, initial squeeze momentum has died off for BBIG. It's harder for it to squeeze now because a lot of bag holders now, right? So, yeah, that's an issue. That's an issue. Unity. Wrecked Ralph. Wrecked. What's up, Wrecked Ralph? Says your thoughts on him X. Chart I have 1010 entry point with October options. Okay, sounds good. No options. Okay. So 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Yeah, let's do 30 minutes. I guess. Oh no, lost my mouse there. Could you check my question, Pep? Okay, your question. What's your question, Pep? I think I missed it. If I buy, let me get this question, Pep, and then I'll get to yours. So hymns actually. So Record Rob is in at 1010. Um, this one. Don't think I've looked at this one. So again, you're green on that position already. Again, this might be hmm. I feel like my answer to this question should just be like don't go red in this position. Why? Because when I look at stuff like this, right, market graph, where again, as you can see, at least in the last month or so, the last 2 months, we've been trending lower, right? So again, nice 3 day candle here, and then sell off again. It's 3 day candle sell off, 3 day candle here sell off, 2 day candle here sell off. Well, on the second day here, right, are we about to sell off again? Again, I think we could easily run all the way to like 11. Have we been to 11? 11. Yeah, like $11 here, right? So as we approach 11, like 11.15 here, you want to be very careful because it seems like we're just riding the super trend signal lower here, right? Again, we hit it right there, sold off. Hit it right there, sold off. Right there, and was selling off as well. So as we get to 11.15, you want to be a little bit cautious here. Again, my suggestion with on this position is we're trending lower. Don't go red in this position, right? Please and thank you. Don't be right. So just in case we decide to break below $10 again, we're gonna go a lot lower there, right? So again, this isn't a bad level though, right? So I feel like you're fine here. Like you should be okay. We're forming a double bottom here, right? So again, so support right there, nice solid bounce actually, right? So nice solid bounce and nice another solid bounce here. Well, guess what? We're bouncing off the same level again. You actually got a very nice entry, Wreck-It Ralph. That's a very nice position there to be in. So I think you might just be fine here. You might just be fine here. So yeah. And then I think Pep had a question here that I'm missing. So if I buy a contract 2 months out, is it good to buy in the money or out of the money? Um, and it just depends what you're looking for. So if you buy in the money options for 2 months out, so that's your again you're like you're buying that security, right? You're buying security. That's the time is for. That's what the in the money call is for. But also again, so that's the difference, all right? You're buying security versus when you buy that 2 month options, that 2 month long call out of the money. What you're buying is you're buying that potential for some nice returns, right? You're taking it's more of a YOLO, right? So it just depends what you're looking for, right? If you believe in the play and you think we could easily get, if you believe in it and you think we could run, um, like I like to do in them, like when I go for out, I like to do like out of the money calls. Pep, seeing me practice short reading at night. Last night she said, why do you need to do that? I thought I thought you watched that guy. Oh, Pristine. No, Pristine. It's yeah. You need to do it on your own, right, Pristine? It's so nice when you can see the same things, and then you can tell me what to do as well. It's very nice. What's up, Akao? Good to see you. Bots incoming. Yeah. What's the next reverence? Next support is $6. Thank you, Casper. Yeah, $6. Good says good morning. There you go. Yeah, like that's not a bad level at all. That's funny, Pristine. That guy. Yeah, not a bad level here at all. I'm just looking. Yeah, it seems like we're just doing the same thing over and over and over again, right? So support, same level resistance, support, same level resistance. So this thing could easily run all the way to $17 here. So yeah, that's a good position to be in. So just don't go red. Just in case we don't do it this time, just don't go red, right? So we've done it 3 times. This would be the third time. So right. So yeah. Aldrin, CI is about to rip. Good day for CI today. CI, wow. Okay. I know CI is another ticket that we watch closely. I just haven't looked at it today. Capper. Again, like it's still like yeah, it looks good. It looks good, right? Nothing's changed here, right, guys? Like nothing's changed for this chart. Same level of support at 150 here. Same level of resistance at 170, right? So, ooh. Same level of resistance at and 170 for CI. So nothing's changed here, guys. So watch 170. If we can break 170, that's a very strong sign that we have a very clear level of support now, and we just need to clear 170 and hold above that level, and we're good to go. Yeah, George. If we can clear 170 and hold above that level, then you're looking for $2, 220. Yeah, Wiz. Yep. CEI. So let's go back here. 1 minute there. La 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 la. Come on. Yeah, slowly pushing towards $6 here, guys. Slowly, slowly, slowly. And then yeah, I just want to put up. I'm gonna put up CI here for now. Here you go. Here you go. Cool. So let's do another, yeah, and like at least another 25 minutes here, 25 minutes, and then we can take a break and then potentially come back for power hour. Sound good? Sound good, guys? Sound good? What's the next resistance after one? $2, you mean, George? 170? 170? After 170 again, $2, right? Another like next psychological level there, George. Hopefully you can bounce up $6. I hope we can bounce up $6 as well, guys. Chris, you're waiting for six for an entry on BBIG? Okay. The reason why these candles are so overly extended on CI here is just because it's just a penny stock, right? So that's why like a sense seems like yeah, like the sky is falling. And ATR, guys, again sold off again at $14, right? So and yeah. Yeah, Gideon, you're waiting for $6 as well. Wow. Again, so what you're looking for like if you're looking for $6 and you're looking for entries, like you sure you can gamble at $6, but you also want to make sure it's confirming that that level is holding, right? So, and then you can go from there because if that level doesn't hold, we might see a quick flush below before trying to recover again, right? So just be cautious there. Just be cautious. Yeah, don't forget, guys. Let's get to 300 likes. If you haven't smashed a like yet, guys, take a second, smash a like, hit that subscribe, and share the link as well. And then if you want to come join us in Discord, guys, the link, membership stuff is right. The link is right. It's going to show up for you right now. So there you go. I'm doing this. La 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 la. I think we might have to do like a game game night or like a movie Discord night soon or something. Something. La 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 la. Mm-mm. Amanda says hi. I'm new here in the chat, but I watch you on TV during the day. Okay, Amanda, thank you very much for the support. Uh, Good to have you in the chats. Let's go. Yeah, I know we have like people. Some people just like to watch and not say anything, and that's fine, right? That's fine. COD Warzone Private Watch. Uh, would Queen wouldn't mind a game night? Yeah, let's do a game night. Noir? You want to do a game night, Noir? That would be fun. Yeah, game nights are super fun. Like game nights are really fun. So Noir, you want to do a game night? You're on TV or a guy on TV? Yeah, where's Noir, guys? I know Mindy's busy outside a little bit, working on some stuff. But yeah, where's Noir? Let's do a game night, Noir. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, I think we can do game night tonight. Some yeah. If Noah isn't here, I'll get Mindy to set it up tonight if she's available, and then we can do some game night. So yeah. No, like tonight, like tonight, Noir. Or unless you want to do Friday, like what works better for you, Noir? Please on YouTube so I can actually play. Entertain. You can play on. Like, YouTube is just so much work. Entertain. It's just so much work. Rocket League? No, there are quite a few games. Quite a few games. You're not available tonight, but let me don't let me hold you up. uh, yeah, no, no, we'll see. We'll see what we do. Yeah. And things like so. YouTube is just so much work, you know. It's just uh, I don't even know what to call them, Hazel. Like there are uh the card games, the drawing games. There's just all sorts of games. Yeah, all sorts of games. It's fun. It's fun. Dustin, like what version of Call of Duty? Just like the mobile version. Yeah, Jackbox. Yeah, that's what it is. Jackbox. I'm always playing Rocket League. Entertain. Okay. It's a bit early. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah. So when Mindy says, "Oh, I'm sorry for not coming on," and like only response is, "You can do game nights." So there you go. And their work jobs don't get in the way. Yeah, Friday. Is today Thursday? Oh yeah, so it's just tomorrow then. Yeah, we can. Okay, we can do it tomorrow then since it's the weekend. we, we can do it tomorrow then. We can do it, yeah, and then people can stay up later than and now working for the weekend as well. So yeah, tomorrow, maybe tomorrow then. Um, Heading towards 5, Brian. Let me take a look. You know what? I see. I here might yeah, 470. Yeah, I mean this thing. Wow, 80% on wow, wow, wow. It's just very slowly, like just very slowly running them. Some yeah, that looks good. I'm just checking some stuff here. There you go. Yeah, this thing for the most part has just been consistently rising today. So yeah, again, I think this one has a lower float as well, if I'm not mistaken. Uh, I think we looked at, yeah, 7 million. There we go. There we go. So yeah, like this is yeah, watch for $5 there next. $5, we can clear $5. And then maybe you're looking for $7 on the way up there. So again, very good volume, right? 103 million in volume here this morning, before launch. Yeah, so like it's very impressive. 75% up already. So that's very nice. Again, the volume reflects the performance here, right? So that's very good. So yeah, very good. Tomorrow, okay, sounds good. There you go. You're just writing those calls or WOK. Okay. Bobby says, where do you see ATR going? I mean, if it doesn't break above 14 again today, we might just flush back down to $12. Bobby. La, 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 la. Huh, interesting. Interesting. So yeah, let's do another like 50, 20 minutes here, 15 minutes, and then we can take a break and hang out in Discord percent maybe, maybe. Just not ready for like the 8 hour streams yet. Not there yet. Not there yet. And I also just want to recover. So la 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 la. Um, man, what about CCRX? Are you, like, is that a position you need help with? What about that? Getting the code. Jason, what am I getting? No, I'm not. Card Vanguard. I'm not. No, it's no. You want to short it, man? Oh, forming on the 1 minute. And you need to, man. Okay, let me take a quick look up and handle. Um, on the 1 minute time frame, I don't see it. I don't see it. Maybe this weekend. Maybe if we got a little bounce here. So let me see if I can find an example of a cup and handle here for you. Maybe. So this would be potentially maybe what you're looking for, right? Again, we have that cup, right? Maybe even this. Like again, it's a cup and it's a handle here, and then we go right. That's maybe what you're looking for. This has been like a nice cup here. We form a nice little handle here, and then we're going right. So in this case, we're dropping right. So the handle isn't formed yet. So no, that's not a cup and handle there. Again, maybe on ATR here as well. No, don't see it. On the 1 minute time frame, don't see it. Come on, BBIG, trying. What have we hit today? 607? Okay. 607. How's BB looking? BB is giving away those gains. Carl, that's my only concern with BlackBerry. For some reason, when I said BB, it activated my OK Google. Some weird words. I know that's my other concern with that ticker there is that it gives away those gains like very easily, Carl. So your entry was like 150 Dustin, right? So you want to be careful on CEI as we approach $1.70 because every single time we struggle there, but it seems like support is 150, right, Carl, Dustin? So thank you very much, Corey. Thank you. Soon we'll be back soon. We'll be back soon to streaming for 8 hours a day, guys. It's just like just recovering, so you need to watch it very closely because yeah, like I wasn't on the whole time yesterday, but I felt it. So just need to be careful there. So happy. No, Francisco, you're not happy with BBIG. I know. I'm not happy with BBIG either. Not happy either. So, Nuelani says MRM. What about it? What would you like me to do? Because like when you say MRM question mark, I'm not sure what you're asking for, right? Because we've looked at that tick already today. So yeah, guys, don't forget to smash a like, guys. If you haven't already, smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new, and yeah, running all morning looking for $3 at power hour. Okay, yeah, watching for that $3 level as well, Martin. Watching for $3. Nada. Smash it more, smash it. Gideon says BBIG makes investors wait too long. Yeah. Again, I know a lot of you guys are new, but BBIG didn't exactly play out right away. Like BBIG took a long time, so to actually play out. Uh, oh, seven first. Okay, that's the question. So BBIG guys, where do we go to first? $5 or $7 first? What do you guys think? Five or seven first? You wanted to show that ticker, man? That's flying. Five or seven first? What do you guys think? Let's type in five or seven. Seven free Nemi. I'm thinking seven first before we touch $5. Seven. Free Nanny. Gideon says seven. Seven. Adiro says seven. Tao says five. Okay. Kind of reminds me of clove. Oh, it does, Brian. It does. We shoot up and then get shorted back down. Exactly, Brian. That's what it reminds me of as well. Green seven. Andrew seven. Chris says seven. Okay, 550 ish. Okay, there you go. No, that's a different question now, Hazel. I can see, sure 550. I can see that bounce 550 and six. Those are like my support levels. We can bounce off that. Yeah, there you go. We'll see though. Any on your list? You keep saying her name. Oh, Seven. Oh, yeah, you're making my dog go crazy. Hi, Seven. And you watch this. What sort of There you go. Let's see. Up or down. Hmm. Just trying to recover a little bit there. So since it's on the list, MRM. I think you want to be careful with that name. It's had a nice gap up already this morning. Right? Do I think it goes up from here? I think the run might just be over unless if you're looking for a longer term play in Alani. I think you want to be careful. I think it's over. La 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 la. Come on, BBIG. Nice. I feel like every couple years you won't be disappointed. Rainson. Yeah. I don't know why. I feel the same way too. Like BBI, SCI in a few years, I feel like it won't be sitting at below $2 anymore. Danny Yar says HLBZ them. Are you in it already? Are you in it or are you looking for a brand new position? You know what? So we have about like 10 minutes here before we hop off and take a break. Um, let me do some take a request here. So I'm gonna start by look at IRNT here. So I'm gonna have to switch screens here and do that. There we go. Again, IRNT honestly surprised to see. Surprised but not surprised. But hopefully this is a reminder for most of you guys. Um, Let me see here. Down $2, $2. So we initially bounced up this previous top level right again at $30. Initially had a bounce, pushed back to $38, and then failed again, right? So now your next level support is 24.30 here. So $24. That's the next level to watch for IRNT there. But yeah, it's selling off, right? So again, another momentum play, guys. People rotate very quickly, so you don't want to end up holding a bag on names like this. Right. What else? What else should I be looking at, guys? Let me know. What tickers are you guys watching? There you go. Debbie, a little bit better. A little bit better. Mina says take a look at STC. Sure. STC here. Smart Direct Club. Again, this thing, as long as this thing sits about $6, it looks fine for now. Your support level, potential entry level is $6 for now, right? So yeah, that'd be your next level of support, $6, and then resistance. Again, like we talked about, be careful whenever this thing approaches 740. Yeah, that's not time to FOMO. Why? Because again, some strong resistance, sell, 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 right? So be careful on 740 support at $6. Francisco, yes. Michael says take a look at Ali. Sure. Alternate. Interesting. Penny stock. Hmm. Yeah, this thing is yeah, as you can see, like Michael, this thing is absolute rubbish. Like from a technical point of view, it's absolute rubbish. From a fundamental point of view, it might be actually be something that's interesting, right? So, but for now though, it looks like absolute rubbish. Like it's just trending lower here. Some, you want to be very careful here. There's nothing really positive to say about this. It was just trending lower here. So until we can actually build a new, like a solid base of support, for now it doesn't look good though, right? So what are you looking for stuff like this, right, Ali? Like stuff like again, we Michael, we drop and then we find like stuff like this. Like we find like a consistent, like just a very solid base of support that we're holding. And guess what happens? Explosion, right? So yeah, maybe that's what we're coming down to. Again, maybe we're coming down to this level. So patience, might require some patience there. And then I think Stacy wants me to take a look at FSR here. So Fisker is actually one that I watch. Where the lines? Maybe not. So Fisker, are you in this one already, Stacy? I can see that we have support at $13 here for Fisker. So let me zoom out here a little bit more. Yeah. Yeah. So like around $13, it seems to be that support level again. So what you can see that we're obviously again like trying to bounce up this level, so it doesn't look too bad here. So watch for $15 there next for your next level resistance is $15. Support is still at $13. So $13 there. So yeah, there you go. What else? He burned so much. Okay, sounds good. Uh, is running due to TGT increase 19, target increase to 19. Just letting everyone know. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, fiscal looks fine there. Up about $1 here today. Yeah, price target upgrade. Nice. There you go. So a few more tickers here. Yeah, Andrew wants me to take a look at EIHS, and then just catching my breath a little bit. So I know this one was a pre-market mover here, up 7% here this morning. Can't quite remember why these guys ran this morning. September reports are slumping. Okay, that's nothing new there. Um, yeah, this thing is the penny stocks are hard to read. I feel like this thing is giving away a lot. It's giving away a lot of the gains this morning. So, if you're in this position already, I mean, hopefully you're in some profits that you're holding. That's keeping you that's holding you up very nicely. But if you're not, then I'd be patient here with this thing, and I'd be patient and not touch it right now. So there you go. Exactly at the bottom, George. There you go. Sense breakdown. Sense down. Sensonic. I know we've looked at Sense quite a bit for you as well. And I think the entry for Sense was $3, like we talked about. Right? I'm not sure if we're still. Yeah, there you go. Right. So again, the entry was like right there at $3. So if you got in at $3, we had a nice run. But the issue is right down. It's a again like history does not repeat itself, but it rhymes every single time. It's like okay, cool. We get to that level, we struggle, we struggle, we struggle, we fail. Right. Again, this level is 420, 420. Right, 420 back to $3. 420 back to $3. Okay, cool. This time we run again very close to that level, and we're selling off again. Right. So your entry level is $3. Your exit level is around like 420 there. There you go. Oh yeah, Fami. Fami. Let me take a look at Fami here. I know I've looked at Fami quite a bit as well. And yeah, Fami's a new IPO. Is it? No, maybe not. Is it? No. Um, this thing is yeah, I know this thing had a nice run. Very nice run. Um, but honestly, like for now, what you're looking for is some type of positive momentum to come in, right? So again, it seems like that initial like massive sell off is again, even though we're dropping, it's slowly decreasing, right? So if you look at these candles, like the pressure's not as massive anymore, right? So again, we're slowly the pressure slowly dying down here a little bit. So yeah, let's see if we can find support here, like just about 20 cents here on FAMI. If we can do that, and then maybe we turn around. So it will come down. BBIG on the move. BBIG is actually on the move, guys. Let's go back here then and watch BBIG for a few minutes here, and then take a break and maybe come back for power hour, guys, and then yeah, maybe BBIG is actually gonna bounce off that $6 level. Then maybe we're actually gonna do it. Come on, BBIGs, come on. There you go. So BBIG is bouncing, the ATR is bouncing as well, trying to get back to $14. And then RNAZ here, yeah, still trying to go for that $5 level. Yeah, BBIG not too bad. La la la. Absolutely, Matt. Absolutely. So Amber B says, "Thank you for the super chat." Says, hope you feel better soon. Me also. Thanks for your streams every day. Absolutely. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the super chat. Let's go super chat celebration. Thank you very much, Amber Beast. At 27, you should have cut size. I know, man. Yeah, you need to have that plan before you get in, right? So, just so you're ready. It's not giving up green. Oh wow. Okay. La la la. Yeah, honestly, again for me for BBIG, as much as this might seem a little bit a little bit exciting here for BBIG, it's not doing anything, right? Once again, we're holding support for now, but this thing needs to break above 650 because it's sitting in between that range for me means we're doing absolutely nothing, right? So until we can break above 650, BBIG not going anywhere. There you go. MBD says, "Can you MBD Studios?" Says, "Can you take a look at TYRN?" I'm sure I can. Sure, I can. I just wanted to take a quick look at BBIG and see what's going on there. But CYRN, CYRN here. I'm pretty sure I've looked at this one already as well. But yeah. So let me take again. I'm not quite sure what your position is, right? So just again, it seems like we've looked at this before. I'm pretty sure we looked at this on the way up here because again, people are asking like for stuff when it's running, and pretty sure we said to be careful around like again this range, sell off. This same area here, 84 cents. Well, guess what? History doesn't repeat, but it rhymes, and we're selling off again. So potentially for in terms of support, I'm not sure if you're in it already. Watch for 50 cents. Watch for 50 cents here for support. NBD. Right, so again, careful as we approach that level. Watch for support at 50 cents. RWLK. RWLK. Where is it? Should be somewhere in the list already. I mean, this thing is having a very good day today. Watch for again. Nothing's really changed here, right? For the last 3 days or so, we've been struggling to clear this level at 260, right? So yeah, watch for 260. 260 is your next level of resistance there to watch. I don't know if I'd recommend chasing this thing now because again, it's had a nice run up here. But yeah, just be careful. KPLT is running, and then re KPLT and re KP re here, and then man, oh man, yeah. So like re is in a very in an area where we're trying to find support, right? Zain. So yeah, again, if we can start bouncing off this level, then it doesn't look bad at all. So yeah, we just need to. Seems like I've looked at this before already. So yeah, we need to break above this level again. 550 here. We need to clear that level, and then we're good to go. Just need to break above it. So come on, guys. It's not actually ripping. Let me take a look at the candle. Maybe it's gonna sway me a little bit. This isn't ripping, guys. KPLT is not ripping. Like 2% move is not ripping. Maybe it's because it's going from like red to green, and we're trying to push him. That's a very good sign, though, right? Again, when we're trending lower, and we go from like green to red, red to green, that's a strong signal, right? So, I don't know if I call that ripping, is what I'm saying. Easy money stocks, no stress, rinsing. With crappy volume, no, exactly. Exactly. Alrighty, guys. We're gonna leave it here for now. We can come back for power hour. Um, unless someone else is unless someone else is gonna come on. Let me just confirm. I think Mindy is just outside trying to finish some stuff quickly. And I have no idea where Neil is. So man. Yeah, so we're gonna leave it here for now, guys. Thank you guys very much again for the support. You guys are amazing. Now off to Discord, I guess, for you guys. For me, I need to go take some meds. But yeah, see, yeah, there you go, Green. So have a good rest of the day, guys. Have a good rest of the day. Smash a like on your way out, hit that subscribe if you're new, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you guys later. See you guys later, guys. Be safe out there, please, and thank you. Try not to gamble too much. Again, this week is for safety. Again, with the way the market is performing this week, you want to be very safe this week, right? So, we see you guys very soon. Very soon, guys. Okay, bye, guys. Bye, Zane. Bye, Justin, Jason, Phil. Yeah, hopefully soon, Annabelle, Gideon, man, Vinrod. Let's go. And yeah, we'll see you guys later. Yeah. Enjoy Survivor. Oh yeah, Survivor. I think I might watch some Survivor while like I eat some breakfast. And, yeah, there you go. Entertain. See you soon. See you soon. Bye, guys.